everybody. Welcome in today. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Shout out to everyone trading in London today. Holy. Holy. How'd you guys do? I know you guys caught some moves in London. Bink, bink, bink. High fives, high fives. Hey, man, we different, bro. We walking, man. We walking today. It's another day, another opportunity to walk in discipline, walk in professionalism, and display this on the charts today. I love those emojis, man. We're just different. We're a different type of breed over here. Just a different stream, man. Holy. Who caught some moves in London? Talk to me, talk to me. We got time here. What up, AB Mike? What's up, Jake? How you doing, man? Inspire your soul. What's going on? Good morning. What up, Dennis? What up, Steven? Andreas in the house. Big profit in London today. Beautiful, beautiful. What up, Henry? What's good, Sandman? High five. Ewan in the building. Big W. What up, Ewan? What's good, Henry? Louis G's walking. He's walking. Yanosh is in the house. What up, Yanosh? Oi. Hey, Christian. What's up, brother? What up, Storm Player? Sergio TTE Bank Santos. My man. My man. What up, George VDM? Hey, how you guys doing on your live accounts? You guys got all your credentials all set up? AB Mike, George. What up, FX Silverio? Silverio? Morning, Luke. What up, Luca? What up, Bruno? What's up, Legrand? Legrand's in the house. Let me just set up Zoom here, and we'll be off to the races. Love from India. Hey, what up, what up, what up? All right, we are good to go. All right, all my Zoomers, the link is out. Link is out. In 3, 2, 1, blast off. All right. Lovely, lovely. Let's get the day started here. Let me just minimize this. Look at that. Gotta trade. The first one in the house. What up, Gotta Trade? How you feeling today, sir? All right. Let's move the chat over here. And let me get my tools here. Move this so you guys don't have to look at it. And all right, cool. We're good to go. So what up, everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's a new day. It's Friday here. It is the 10th of November, and it's a fresh day for us. Fresh New York session, pre-New York. As we're opening up the live streams here, we see I believe gold moved down overnight. I've seen some people took sells. Beautiful. I seen Raja actually took the same exact sells as you guys. So big W. Shout out to you guys. Really earning it, right? Really learning the system and now applying it on your own. And that's key, right? That's the point of these streams. The point is so that you can get it and you can run with it and you can go out there and change your life for the better and your family and do everything that you guys want to do. So beautiful. Love it. A lot of good stuff. Very, very proud of you all. What up, TK? So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here for the day. So today again is the 10th of November. It is Friday, last day of the week here, and we're looking pretty good, right? Just a lot of pound news. It looks like that was happening last night or early morning for some of you guys, and now it's just this red folder at 10 a.m. So we're pretty clean here, gang. We're pretty clean for the New York Open. We're pretty clean for 9:30 here today, and we should have some pretty nice opportunities. So let's go ahead and dive into the charts, and let's go ahead and see what we got going on here. So let's go to the weekly, because this is the last day of the week. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame here, and just let's see what's going on, right? Because man, we juiced up here, right? We tried breaking the highs here, never got to it. move down, move down, move down for a while, just a steady downtrend. Candle closed in a bottom wick. This candle drove down, retested that support at 1809, which was our target during that whole entire, you know, what was that, July? Yeah, July. And just moving down. And then we seen this juicer, right? We seen a juice box pop up. Next candle pushed up as well. Then we came into this clean zone here, and price did its thing, but never really got to break these highs here, right? We fell just shy of closing above the resistance. I believe that was the last, yeah. So, and now look what happened. So we created resistance here, right? So now that we've created resistance, this candle, yeah, it had no top wick, and it just drove down here, right? Very, very, very strong bearish candle. Now, we only have 9 hours left on this candle, as you guys can see. 9 hours and 55 minutes left in this candle. So, is this candle going to want to drive down here, or, gang, or is it going to want to pull back, right, to leave a wick for next week? So, that's something that we're gonna have to identify here on the lower time frames. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily, because I think the daily close may support that here. So look at this daily candle, right? So daily candle did close bullish yesterday, creating a support, right? So we're attempting to create a support here. Now, price can do whatever it wants to do, but one thing I know is that as long as the low respects the previous low, at any minute, at any point, this candle can move back up, break the high, and come all the way up and retest these highs here. So this is not out of the picture just yet. Now, if we start breaking through these lows, well, now you may have a nice move coming down to fill the range and then tap into what, 1920, right? Which is pretty much been our overall goal throughout the week, as long as we continue down. But again, we did close bullish yesterday, so that plan may change, but we're gonna have to wait and see if that low can break here, and if it can, then we can possibly target that support down there. So let's go ahead and identify what the heck is going on here, because it's just from the looks of it, the lower time frames to me just look like a bleeder right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's happening. Let's go see what the 4-hour time frame looks like. So 4-hour candles have been running down here very nicely, running down, running down, running down. Congratulations to all you guys who were eating in the London session while I was sleeping. Man, I woke, you know what's crazy? Now that I think about it, I woke up at 3 a.m. last night. What time did those main sales take place? Man, I woke up at 3 a.m. and I don't know. I just felt like staying up, but I didn't. I went back to bed. I think gold was calling me or something. I don't know. Maybe my spidey trading senses popped up and just alerted me, and maybe I just didn't listen to the to the voice. Next time I'm checking the charts. But let's go ahead and see. So the 4 hours coming down to support now, right? So there's really no sells, right? So there's no new sells here for me at currently, right? Because 1 hour did close here, but where did we close, right? We closed right at the bottom. I don't know how many pips this is. It's about 20 pips. So not going to touch anything here, right? We're coming to the 4-hour support. So major closure coming in here on the 4-hour time frame, right? Are we going to close below support, or will the next candle actually create some sort of, or are we going to close below here and have a breakout to move back down because you got clean traffic coming down to the left? Or are we going to create support here to start moving up and start the daily candle back on its way to retest 1990 here today? I mean, I could see 1970 for sure, but 1990 could be in play. Right? Don't let this fool you just yet. I see that it's bleeding, it's hard. But again, if this was a 30-minute time frame, we would have buy stops here, right? We would have buy stops right here. Stops kept below here to target these ranges, right? So that's exactly what we can see now. Now, if the 30-minute starts breaking the lows, what do? We delete, right? And then we kind of revamp, right? But until that happens, this candle's still good to move bullish, right? Bullish day. And again, remember what the weekly is. The weekly candle may want to pull back, right? May want to pull back. Where's the pullback? 1962. Holy, what do you know, right? What do you know? 4-hour resistance. So we'll see what happens here today, man. We got an interesting day ahead of us. Let's go ahead and mark up our ranges right now, just so we know where we're at, right? So we need to see what happens here at this support. There's a support here as well. If you guys look to the left, right here. So we'll see what's gonna go down, and this is a major support level as well here. So price has shot up once before in this zone, and we may be able to see that here today. So let's go ahead and wait. I think NY Open is going to be, at least we're going to be waiting till NY Open here today. And to be honest, even if we do take sells, gang, we need a pullback, right, for that anyway. So we're just going to sit tight here and wait on gold. And I think if you can get a bullish closure back above this range here, then we may be able to see a nice push up like before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for buys above 1950 here. And hopefully we can come up and create a little bit of a range here, maybe on the 15 or 30-minute time frame. But I'm going to look for buys above, and that would indicate that we're probably going to pull back on the 4-hour, and then the next 4-hour start driving up. So plus last time we did close above on the 1-hour, we shot up here. So that was yesterday. So we may take the same exact trade here as yesterday. You know, on a somewhat of a, you know, difficult day to take sells. We're still bullish, right? Until we break these lows here, we're pretty bullish based off of the daily. So I'm just gonna sit tight. I'm not gonna take these sells here. Just gonna relax a bit and wait for price to start to look familiar here. So that's what I'll be looking for here on gold. We've got very, very clean targets today. If we do decide to move up, then 1959, 1960 is definitely on the board here. So we'll see what happens. See what happens. Yeah, I don't really want to. I'm not interested at all on the break of these lows because we have a 14 pip range here. After a drastic move down, not interested. Maybe in my first year of trading. Maybe in year 1 and year 2, I might have been interested in here, but not anymore. Not anymore. So I'm gonna wait for buys above 1950, and then if we do create some sort of a range here, then I'll probably look to take my sells below 1945. So very, very clean traffic. Actually, it's going to be below, 1945, 250. So that's going to be what I'm looking at here for gold. You got a nice clean range here. I think we attempted to trade in this range. Yeah, remember we were trying to trade here the other day, but ended up moving bullish, and we took advantage of the buys. So same thing might happen today. We'll see. We're just going to wait on it, right? Just got to give it some time, and we'll see where we're at in a little bit. Cool. Goody. All goody. Face cam's blurry. That's all right. You don't need to see my face, man. I'm breaking the charts down. You got to focus on the charts here today. So once we finish the breakdown, I'll fix the camera here. But that's what I'm going to be looking at here for gold. Pretty simple, right? We're still bullish on the day. So we do want to anticipate buys. I'm also open for sells, but not going to take them here because it's just been a drastic move down and not enough range. So that's going to be Goldilocks here today. So boom, done. Sells below here. And we could probably just get rid of this and make that a no trade range. Yeah, we need to see some sort of range forming here. So cool. So that's going to be gold, and this 1954 here is just the original target. That's just the first range here, which is a 40 pip range too. So if gold really wants to move here, I mean, you know, look what happened, right? We came down, we retraced the whole move, right? And then we retraced the whole move again, and then who knows, maybe we retrace the whole move again here. So gold is a awesome pair to trade. When it wants to get going, it gets going, and Fridays are usually big days here on gold. So let's see if we can get a big one out of today. Hey, Malaysia in the house. What up, what up, what up? Got a lovely entry on gold this morning. Oh, nice job, Amanda. Raja would say we already missed the move. Yeah, I guess it's time for a new camera here. Rip camera. Let's see. Let's see. That range 2 strategy worked perfectly. Oh, nice. Dope. Thanks for the knowledge. I feel good to close 17 pips. Oh, beautiful. Good job, PM. Magnifico. Is my camera blurry? Blur. It's a blur. Blur? Alright. Anytime it gets blurry, just hit me with the blur, chat. Just hit me with the blur. Spam the blur. But if it's not blurry, don't spam the blur. Alright, let's go ahead and look at pound yen here too. See what we got going on with GJ here. So, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at the Nasdaq. And let me just hold on one sec. Alright, that might be better. Might be better. Alright, let's take a look at pound yen here and oh damn, and see what we got going on. So weekly time frame. Weekly. So let's take a look at the weekly here. So again, so actually let's talk about the monthly very, very quick. So look at this. Monthly candle came up to this resistance level right after literally moving up from January. So January, February, all the way throughout this year. Pound yen has just been on a bull run here. So nothing like a bull run, right? Pretty cool to see it. But we came up to this resistance level over here and started to consolidate here. So for the last few months, we've just been consolidating, right? We had a candle close below. So some of you guys see this bearish candle that closed below here, which indicated that price should maybe start to head down to create some sort of support, right? Before price can move back up. But we closed below. Heavy news came out on the pound, I remember, and we just drove down and just right back up and ended up closing bullish back in this overall range that you have here. So that was pretty interesting. So really no movement, just a fake out there and no closure above or anything, just a candle closing with no top wick and just very, very sloppy price action here, very sloppy candlestick. So this candle is struggling now, right? So it doesn't know if it wants to move up or move down or if it's going to close above or below. There's a lot of time on this candle. There's still 30 or 20 days left here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. So no surprise here that the monthly will probably move back down and probably even close bearish and just continue to consolidate after this bull run here on the year. So let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly starting to reject, right? We noticed that we closed right below resistance here and popped up, and now we're starting to come down, right? So starting to come down. Don't really think we've got any more juice in the tank this year for pound yen to keep moving. I think we're gonna slowly just consolidate and just trade in this overall weekly range here for quite some time. So let's take a look at the daily. So daily's been consolidating here, and looks like you have a resistance. You also have a support, and yesterday's candle closed slightly below that support. So either way, the candle closure is bearish. So I am going to look for sells here on pound yen today. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is stuck in a range. So we move from range to range here from time frame to time frame, right? This range is just, trying to break out, right? You got a support, resistance. This candle broke the lows here, but can it close below is the question. Because if it can close below, then there's a high chance that the next candles will drive down. So you got a 4 hour closure below. There's a very high chance now that the next candle will at least come down into this support level here. And if it closes below that support, then you've got clean traffic here on the left-hand side for price to potentially continue moving down. I think that's a healthy move here for pound yen. I think we need to see some sort of a move down, so that way we can create some ranges. But let's go ahead and see what the 1 hour looks like, and go based off of that. So very, very strong support. You have a resistance here. This for me will be a no trade range. So I don't know how big this range is. It is 27 pips. So this right here will be a 27 pip no trade range here for me today. If you do get a close below, then you do have clean price action moving down. Let's go ahead and measure this range. So you got a support about another 25 pips away. So GJ, that's a pretty solid range. If you can't, if we can't get ourselves below 84,800, we can take them below 84,600, and below there is obviously clean move coming down. So no trade range here. I'll take buys if we do break above 185,157. Pretty clean move up to 185,500, and then if we do close below, potentially look to take sells. Now that I'm looking at it a little bit better, I don't really like the range either, right? Because if you look to the left, you've just got a bunch of areas of conflict, right? So you have support, but then you have support, right? So there's really, this whole range here is just chalked, right, for sells. So I think the cleanest sells are going to be below, what is this, 84,640. And then you've got nice clean candles coming down. We could take advantage of this range below here. So yeah, I think that's what I'll do here today. I'm in no rush to trade pound yen, to be honest. Pound yen really has to do exactly what I want it to do for me to even enter a position here at this point. So yeah, so sells below 184,640, and then look to take buys above 185,157. Buys above, yep. Yeah, if you want to take your sells below here, maybe if it's a high volume time, NY Open, NYSE, something like that. But I mean, I don't know. A lot of support there, gang. So hey, it's got to get down there somehow, some way though, right? So if it is going to close below 84,640 here, it's got to get there some way. So maybe you can take advantage of that. But for me, I'm gonna stay away from that range there and just sit tight here on GJ. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Simple day on pound yen. Just gotta wait. And then let's see here. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's gonna be GJ, and we'll take a look at Nasdaq too. One moment. All right, cool. All right, gold still gold just chilling, just doing whatever it needs to do here now. Just gotta wait on gold here today. Just gotta wait. We're gonna keep an eye on the daily candle here, and what we're anticipating here is, all right, everyone's looking for sells, right? Everyone's gonna look at the lower time frames, and because they're just maybe looking at something different, they're gonna look for sells now, right, as they come into the NY session. But we know that as long as this low is respected, this candle can flip up bullish and really run here today. So we're going to anticipate that move happening. We will change our bias though, just like yesterday. You see how swift and quickly we decided to change the bias yesterday and start going and go for that buy. So same thing today. Price action will never lie on the lower time frame. So if price is really looking to move down, it's going to break that low, and it's also going to close below our support and show us our entry and show us our setup, and then we're going to execute and take advantage of when price does break that low to most likely move down into these ranges here. So until then though, pretty bullish here today. What up, Sam Capital? YOLO traders in the house. What up, YOLO trader? What up, Green? How you doing? All right, let's take a look at Nasdaq. Let's take a look at Nas 100 here. Let's break it down. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, nice. So look, everything played out nice yesterday. So it looks like you did get a closure below. So you got to close below, and price did move down here. So you did move nice in this range that we wanted price to move down in. Lovely. Everything seems to be lining up really nice with this pair. I'm really digging it, really feeling it. It seems to be playing out very well with our playbook, with our strategy. I like the wicks. The one main thing that made me toss the Dow, which is US 30, was really the wick situation. You know, a lot of our system has to do with these wicks, right? Wicks don't lie is the term, right? So there just wasn't, the wicks weren't really playing out for us, or for me. So that's why I decided to chalk US 30 and start taking a look at NAS 100 here. And I have some friends who trade this pair. They enjoy the pair. I've been picking their brain a little bit on it as well, and watching it myself, and things are looking pretty good. So come January or so, this is going to be probably we're going to be trading gold and NAS 100 here. So we may dump GJ. I know that I'm saying that, and all of a sudden GJ pulls down and starts creating new ranges, and I'm like, we got to go back to GJ. But Nasdaq's definitely going to be in the mix here for 2024. So yeah, so we're going to continue to watch it day in and day out. Hopefully that shows you guys my patience, a little bit of my patience with anything, right? With whether it's putting a new pair into the mix, whether it's putting a new setup into the mix. Everything requires patience, right? Everything is a bit of a process. So just got to understand that about trading. The craziest part about this game is you can't rush it, right? You can't rush things, where when you're in some other type of ventures, you can pound the phones, you can knock the doors, you can show up to the meetings, but in trading, man, the markets control everything. We are just, not, I don't want to say slaves, but we are just, the market is our guide. The market is the only people or we have to respond to the market, basically, and you can't force anything, you can't rush anything. So hopefully that shows some discipline there. I remember a friend reached out to me one time. They were like, hey, how long you usually look at a pair until you start trading it? and I think they thought that I was going to say like, yeah, maybe like 2 or 3 days or 2 or 3 weeks. And I told them like, yeah, probably like 6 months to a year. They were like, what? Like, oh yeah. And so things take time, man. If you really want to be professional with it and have a good read on it, you ever hear like the saying, like, you do it right the first time and you won't have to go redo it. So if we can just gather the data before we put this into our watch list, we already understand it, we're already in flow state with it, we can just start trading and start running the system on it. So that's what we're going to do here in 2024 come January. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis and get a sample size position here today. So monthly candle is did move bullish here. We came down, we created this support here, so we may keep going up. We did break the highs here. There is a resistance up here to retest. So will this candle retest it and reject, or will the candle actually close above, to keep moving on next month? So that's one thing we're watching out. Again, 20 days left on the monthly candle here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. Weekly candle did close above resistance, and you've got this wicky range here, right? A lot of wicks in this range. So price is struggling a bit. I think we need a steeper bottom wick. We also close with very little to no top wick. So this weekly candle is up here today. So we'll see. It looks like it's going to close very weak as of right now, but again, there's still 9 hours here. So let's go ahead and see what the daily candles are looking like. Daily did close bearish yesterday, so I think we're going to be looking for sells here. So we did close bearish. Looks like we did close slightly below the ranges here. Last time we created resistance here, we tend to drive down. Same thing here, we tend to drive down. So we may see a move down here on the daily candle. I do believe we may need a steeper top wick at this point, and that would make sense probably for this 4 hour to potentially break the highs and then maybe close back below. So right now the 4 hour is bearish, right? We're trying to create a support, but we don't have an official support until this candle is closing and closes bullish, right? So we'll see what happens here. There's still range to drive on the 4 hour chart. and it's pretty wicky though, right? See, we're gonna identify what these wicks represent on the lower time frame, but looks like price tried, not happening, tried, no go, tried, no go here. So let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame and see what the deal is with that. So looks like yeah, you have a support right here. You also have a pretty strong resistance right up here at this point, and this is currently just the range that you're gonna trade in. So below here is a very, very clean range. Now again, there are wicks, but so here's the things about wicks. So you see how this is an exhaustion wick, and same thing here, an exhaustion wick. So at that time it becomes an exhaustion wick. It later on, if you get a closure below, becomes a target. It becomes a wick to fill. So maybe, just maybe, if you get a candle closing below, that should indicate that finally a candle's closing below, and it should come down and retest these supports and at least fill that wick there. So if you do get a closure below, we are bearish on the day. I will look to take some sells below 15166 and sells below here, and then buys are pretty clean above here. So if you do get a closure above, you've got clean traffic moving up, and that would probably push the weekly candle a bit, right? Just push it up a little bit here and finish the job on the week. So yeah, we'll see what happens. 4 hour is an important closure here. So if you can get a bullish close on the 4 hour, that would also be a 1 hour closure above. I think you can take advantage of buys coming up. So that's what we will look to see if we can sample size and, you know, test out here today. But other than that, that's going to be the day. That'll be the story here on NAS 100 for me. Yep. But I am excited about trading this pair, gang. It's gonna be a fun pair to trade. I know I have friends that trade this pair on the 1 minute time frame. These dudes are nuts. Oh, thank you, Mark's Market Forecast. Hey, good to see you back here today. Appreciate you coming by. I think you guys would do well with it. Nice. You do trade NAS? Oh, cool. Oh, every day. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ooh, a lot of you guys like this pair, huh? Very cool. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Thanks for the congratulations. Krenar. Shout out to Krenar. Thank you, bro. 24K subs. Oh, did we crack 24K here? Yeah, I think we did. Nice. Awesome, man. Good stuff. Hey, if you're enjoying the stream, if you're enjoying the breakdowns, give the stream a like here today. And if you're not subbed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, man. 24K, I did not realize that. Did that just happen now, or was that already done? I'm not too sure. Oh, we hit it a couple days ago. Oh, damn. Gotcha. Dubs. Let's get it. Where's my gold necklace, bro? I left it off today, man. I should grab it. I should grab it for the 24K. 24 carats. $24K, 24-hour stream. Oh man. Oh, holy. 24-hour stream, man. We had a great time. We had a great time on the 24-hour stream. Oh, 1 second, 1 second. All right. That's funny. Yeah, Sam left me a voice message. So he woke up last night too. I guess his spidey senses popped off, and he woke up and took the trade. So he took I believe he took a really nice trade. I think there was one really nice move there for London, right? It was like right around 1956 or something like that. I think it was, you had a support, right? Where was it? Yeah, this one right here. So it looks like you had somewhat of a range here for the most part, right? You had this range, you closed below, create a resistance, and this would have been the trading candle. I think this might have been the candle Sam took and Raja right here, right? So you had this move down. So you had a move down, or you had this consolidation, bunch of support, and then you had a move down, close below. So if you didn't get in on these sells, and I think this was, this wasn't really like a high volume time. So boom, here comes London Open. It looks like you got that you got that resistance form here. Everything closed below, and then that was your move right there. That was your playbook setup. What were the stops? Oh, wow. Stops were like 13, 14 pips. I hope you guys ate on this. Sheesh. You got a 13 pip wick fill, and then, yeah, I probably would have closed partials right there. Right around 15, right around 13 pips there on that wick fill. Yeah. Probably would have closed more partials right here, too. At 25 pips. Yeah, nice. So that was the move right there. So as you can see, gold was trickling down there. Finally got a close below, and then you had a big boy candle for London Open. So lovely, lovely, lovely. Now I can't say I missed the move, you know, because I was sleeping, and that's really not my trading time. And but what we can do is look at it and see. Oh, there it is again, right? Playbook setup plays out perfectly. And so a lot of you guys ask about top wicks sometimes. Now look, if you have high volume, right, and the candle close right at the top of the range, this is exactly what you want to see here. So you're not going to get a big top wick when you have a lot of volume about to come in. So the best thing you can do is just wait for a top wick, and then either take your sells on the break of the lows or on the break of its own low, keeping your stops above the highs here. So not bad in this situation here. 14, 15 pips. You had a beautiful stop, and a nice drive down there. So yeah, when there's high volume and you got a candle closing like this right at the top of the range, then there's most likely not going to be a big top wick. So those are the times when you hear me say, look, we don't need anything crazy. We just need a top wick. Those are the scenarios and situations, right? Now, if the candle closed like this, right, and it looks something like that, then I would expect a little bit of a steeper top wick, right? Something that can kind of come up and retest that zone in which it left before driving down. But if it's something like this, right, then that wick isn't going to be too big, because it's, you know, the range is right here. So that's very important to look at when you're looking for top wicks, is really just it wants to retest where it broke out of. So, you know, that's why you see a small top wick on that one. But if this candle would have closed a little bit lower, then you probably would have expected a little bit of a steeper top wick than that. And look, anytime you want to use previous candle stops. So in this case, you could have very well used that. 12 pip stops, and you know, had your entry right around here, stop sitting up there, wick fill, take your partials or whatever, let it run or whatever your plan is there. So that's a little bit about the size of the wicks that we don't really normally get opportunities to talk about here. But yeah, lovely move down. I do believe we'll probably, you know, test in this area real quick, and then we're gonna see what happens from here. Chat, by the way, we're going to be doing we're doing some giveaways here today. You know, we love to do giveaways here on Friday. As you guys know, we're having a 3-day boot camp in later on this month. We're going to have the link, the registration link, all set up, you know, for after the stream. We'll put it in the Discord. But before we drop the link, I want to give away some seats. So we're going to do 3 giveaways here. We're going to give away 3 seats for the giveaway, and or not for the giveaway, 3 seats for the boot camp, and then, you know, we'll put the link out for you guys after that. So I don't want anyone to purchase, because you might get the free seat. You know what I mean? You might get the freebie. Yeah, boot camp's gonna be $60, so 60 USD dollars, US dollars, and that's it. And me, Rafi, and Sam are gonna really pour everything we got into that boot camp, and we really want to make it something special, something a little bit more secluded, a little bit more intimate, and be able to do Q&As and really dive deep and spend some time with you guys. So it's going to be a great time. It's going to be later on this month in November. It's going to be the day after Thanksgiving here in the US. So that is the 24, 25, and 26 of November. It's going to be a fun time. Is it going to be recorded? Yeah, we're going to record it. So we're also going to have everything recorded. And so if you guys aren't able to make it, we can just send the recording over to your email. What time frame do we draw support and resistance? I usually like to draw them on the 30-minute or the 1 hour, whatever makes sense. Typically, those two time frames tend to line up very well, as you can see here. But yeah, usually I'll chill out and hang out on the 30 and the 1 hour time frame. Where will it be? We're gonna do it on Zoom. So the only application that you're gonna need is gonna be Zoom. So if you don't have Zoom downloaded, download Zoom, and yeah, just get prepared for that. If you guys have questions, I mean, I know it's a little bit of a distant away. I think we got like 2.5 weeks, but you're gonna be able to. We're gonna do a Q&A, so you know anyone's gonna be able to ask questions, and you know, that way we can really talk about it, right? Instead of just a question through the chat, we'll be able to really dive deep and dissect the question and really talk about it, because a lot of times good questions usually lead to more questions, but it's very hard to get there, you know, just talking to somebody on a chat. So it'll be fun to go back and forth a bit. Went to Tampa yesterday, State Fairgrounds. Oh, there was an RV show down there. Oh, nice. Yeah, we went down there about 2 weeks ago. There was a big gun show going on down there. But man, these RVs are, people really killing the RV game. Yeah, me and my wife thought about that too, and we'll probably do it eventually. But we thought about having just getting an RV and just traveling around the country, like taking like a couple months and just traveling. Yeah, the RV gang is sick down here in Florida. Yeah, so if you guys want to participate in the giveaway, go to yesterday's live stream and just leave a comment. There go the daily lows here, by the way. So daily lows have been broke. All right. So yeah, NY Open's coming up here. We'll see what that's gonna bring us. Got 16 minutes left. Yeah, that place gets packed out. The what is it called? The fairgrounds, right? Good morning, tides rolling. Will it be a daily pack runner though? Right? Are we gonna break and then move up? That's what I want to see here. Are we just gonna break and move up, or are we gonna break and keep pushing down? That's what we want to see. What's gonna happen here? And if we are gonna keep pushing down, you're most likely gonna get a closure, right, on the lower time frame below. And when do wicks get filled, gang? What time do wicks usually get filled? What up, Shad? How you doing, bro? Wicks get filled during times of volume, right? When are times of volume? Well, when we get different breakouts, when we get different session opens, wicks get filled. If we look to the left, what do you see here? You see a wick, right? So potential wick fill that can happen. And yeah, so we really do need to close below there in order to see some sort of move down. Yeah, 15-minute created a bit of a resistance there. Can we follow the 15-minute? Yes. Yep. Yeah, just the 15-minute works good. I think it'll provide a little bit more opportunity as well. So the 15 closed below here, but I'm just gonna wait, right? I'm gonna wait for NY Open here. So the 15 is good. It a lot of times it can be a little bit of a lower confirmation though than, let's say, a 30-minute or a 1 hour, but it's still pretty decent, especially in times of high volume. Especially when a pair wants to really drive the way it's driving. Notice how you got a resistance here on the 15, but you don't see any of that on the 30-minute time frame, right? So sometimes it'll give you a bit more clues, but there could also be a little bit more fake out scenarios too going on there. So, but it's pretty good. It's a good time frame. Definitely a good time frame during like high volume. Oh, yeah, that's why. Yeah, we have it looks like somebody's speaking here. FOMC member Logan is doing I can't believe they're doing a talk at 7:45, I think, 7:30. Yeah, so that may be what that drastic move down was from. Interesting. Okay. Will it be a float? Will it be a float? We'll see. They're fluking. Oh, you're eating a shish kebab? Come on, making me hungry. Time to eat. It's time to eat. What up, Alan Forex? How you doing, bro? What up, Calvin? Walk. Hit that like. You had a little shish kebabi last night too. Time to eat. How was that monster steak last night? Oh man, it was amazing, man. It was just incredible. Nice porterhouse. Nice porter. Big boy. Oh yeah. Wait, did I say how to participate in the giveaway? Yeah, go to yesterday's live stream. So go onto our channel here. Let's go onto the channel. Go to yesterday's live stream, which was, hold on, go to the lives and then come right here. So come right here to It's Thursday, and let's put some comments here. All right, cool. You guys are already on it. All right, cool. So yeah, so for those that want to participate in the giveaway, come to yesterday's live stream here and just write a comment. So we're gonna pick it. We're gonna have the comment bot thingy majiggy. Go ahead and randomly pick some. Oh, nice. All right, cool. You guys are on it. All right, beautiful, beautiful. Sweet. And we'll check back on this a little bit later on in the session, and we'll do the giveaway. So go to yesterday's live stream and just drop a comment. What up, Dolphy? How we doing? Oh, was this a fluke or what? We'll see. We'll see. Just closed my runner for 139 pips. Beautiful job. Beautiful. Yeah, I really wish I was up last night. Man, my Goldie Spider sensies were calling me. I actually walked out the bedroom and everything. Where did you learn trading from? I learned from a few people. My whole journey consists of a bunch of different guys, but I can probably credit most of everything to Don and Raja. They were the ones that really helped me understand the markets the way I do today. But there were a bunch of people before that, like maybe four other people before that who I, took what I could. It was like the shopping cart method. I didn't like everything, but I did take away some things and, just put some stuff in my arsenal. But Don and Raja were really the main two that got me like profitable, like pretty consistently profitable. So those are the two guys. Uncle Ted? No, I never learned from Uncle Ted. When's the New York session starting? In 9 minutes. 9 minutes. So we broke the lows there, right? But we pushed all the way back up now. So will we get a daily pack runner here? Will we get a daily pack runner? Only time will tell. But the 1 hour is moving back up. The 4 hour tapped in as support and is moving back up. The 30-minute is flipping bullish after an exhaustion wick. And yeah, things are playing out just how we are anticipating. So we got some more time to wait, but things are looking good. Beautiful. Forex Frank, 56 pips, baby. Overnight. Who does that? I keep watching the stream. Better, way better. Oh, nice. Beautiful. What is your strategy name, brother?
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
Zilch. It's the zero strategy. It's the strategy of all strategies that even the strategy needed a strategy. And this is the strategy that strategy needed in order to be the best strategy on the planet of strategies. Come on. One day you will bring those two guys, Don and Raja, here. Yeah, we had Don on. We had Don on a couple months back, which was dope. And yeah, Raja, we'll get him at some point. We're not that big yet, Knew he was gonna drop. All right, 6 minutes. Looking like a potential 8.15 move here. If you can get a closure above on the 15, I think once we do get a probably a close. Yeah, I would still much rather see the 15 close above 1950 here. So we may have a play at 815 if we can get a closure above. So let's say the 1 hour candle. So remember, we're bullish on the day, right? So let's say the 1 hour candle closes something like this, right? And then what we're going to do is anticipate what? The next candle to start driving up here, right? Now, on the 15-minute time frame, you should get a closure above here before the juice box, right? Before the real juice box. So maybe we wait for 8:15 and we see, well, we'll see how we close at 8, right? But we'll see about 8:15. I think maybe the play or 8:30. But I would love to take advantage of comics, right, today and see if comics could push us up here and then continue the ride up with 8:30 if we want to grab the pack and continue moving up on the daily. Well, we're in a perfect area to start anticipating those buys if we get that on the lower time frame. So we'll see if we get this support. Candle's not done yet. We need some time, and yeah, maybe 8:15 would be the play. Did someone clip that? Raja showed up on the stream a few times. He did show up on the stream a few times. That's right. But we didn't really get him here, right, for a good face-to-face conversation. So maybe we'll get it. We'll see. That'll be a victory. But Don was on. Don was awesome. Every time I talk to Don, he's just amazing. So we go back and forth a little bit today, these days, and yeah, he's awesome. I appreciate everything that he really did for me, especially with really culture, right, and setting a culture for the live streams too. Just need 4% to pass phase. Oh, let's go. Let's get it. Green made it possible. Yeah, you guys can thank Green for that. All right, awesome. Yeah, I really would love the 1 hour to close bullish here, man. So we got 3 minutes. Got 3 minutes. Looking like 8:15 though. 8:15, 8:30. What is your strategy? Just go back just go back like 4 minutes. I explained the whole thing. Who's Dan? Danny boy. Dan's the man. Dan the man. There is no strategy here. It's the zero strat. It's the strats of all strats. Quick reminder, if you guys want to participate in the free or the giveaway on the 3-day bootcamp, go ahead on yesterday's live stream, leave a comment, and we're going to pick a couple random winners from there. We'll see how I'm feeling, It might be 1, it might be 2, it might be 5, it might be 10. I don't know. We'll see. Hit the Trump sound. I hit him with this one.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Just a little bit. And by the way, don't comment twice because we already have a robot to filter that out. So don't comment more than once. Just one time will be sufficient. We're on to y'all. Do we have the dates locked in? Yeah, the dates are going to be November 24, 25, and 26. November 24, November 25, and November 26. And we're gonna honestly just leave the seats open. We're not gonna be like your IG guru who goes, "We only have 100 seats and it's maxed out, capped out there." No, we're just gonna leave it open. We're gonna leave the floor open. I think my Zoom. Well, actually, there may be a cap. Actually, my bad. Yeah, there may be a cap. But maybe I could upgrade my Zoom, and I think that will allow like up to like 1,000. So yeah, we should be more than good. How could you win a seat? Give a comment on yesterday's live stream. Comment on yesterday's live stream. Just like all these amazing people are doing right here. Just give a comment here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, almost 200 comments. Awesome. Beautiful. Good, 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 good. Oh, and if you didn't like yesterday's stream, man, give the stream a like. Let's get that to 1,000. Let's get her up there. Let's get her done. If you took the juicer with us, yeah, we just happened to be, I was studying this a little bit yesterday, but if you took the juice box with us, give the stream a like. Like that stream, like this stream. Thank you, Candle Boys. You the man, bro. You the man. All right, 10 seconds here. 10 seconds for the 1 hour close and the 30 close. So 30 minute looks good. 15 minute looks pretty good, but not good enough to take a position just yet. So we still have to wait. 1 hour did close bearish here, but again, we did tap in here. From experience, you know, I think we're tapping in, and now we can potentially start to move up now. So we're gonna need some sort of a bottom wick, right? Because sellers, if price is gonna go up, sellers need to get activated here, right? And then the 30 minute also needs a bottom wick here. So there's high volume coming in. We'll see what happens. I think our best bet at this point would be to wait for 8:15, see if we can get a closure above 1950, and then go from there. Let's take a look at GJ here. GJ is still in the range too. Let's take a look at our buddy Nas. Oh yeah, look, see Nas closed above during the NY Open here. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. 1 hour closed above, 30 closed above. We are bearish though, right? So we are bearish here. We'll see if this actually runs here. Yeah, we'll flip back and forth a little bit. Hey. Papa pal. Pow. Oh, what up, Dominic? Just finished work. Time to dial in. Let's go. Work to work to work to work, baby. Man's on a mission. Shout out to Dominic. I see you here. Consistently showing up. Always got good input, good questions. Won't be surprised when you start taking off, my friend. Caught a nice trade on gold. Yeah, beautiful. 2 a.m. was a money play here. Yeah, beautiful move. Congrats. Congrats to everyone who took that trade there. When will you announce? We're going to announce the seat giveaways here today on the live stream. What up, Lewis? Yeah, right here today and probably a little bit more towards the end of the session. Happy Friday, Candle Boys. Candle Boys, huh? So is it a group of you guys, or is it just one man behind the name? Do I think the Nasdaq could fake out here? Yeah, I was just thinking that actually. So I want to say there's volume here, but it looks we're bearish here on the day, right? So you may actually get some sort of a fake out, right? And have this 4-hour candle drive down. Very curious to see what's going to happen. The 30-minute doesn't necessarily need a range 2, but the 1 hour really hasn't given a range 2 just yet. So this would, if we are basing it off the 1 hour, which this trade right here would highly be based off of the 1 hour time frame, I think you would need like either a celery play here, where you get this bearish candle to close above and then entries on the next candle, or you need some sort of support, kind of like we got yesterday, where you had a candle close below, and then the next candle, all right, candle closed below, and then the next candle ends up closing back above, something like this. Then I think you could maybe see that move up. So yeah, I think I would hold off on this play right here. So I wouldn't have buy stops yet. I'd either wait for this candle to close on the 30-minute or the 15-minute, and then see how that closure goes, and then probably take positions on the break of the highs there. Yeah, because we are going against the daily there. So yep. Yeah, good call, Hunter. I think that was Hunter, right? Good eye, good eye. I was just testing y'all, man. Good job, Hunter. Oh, nice. When I started trading, never thought I'd get to where I am now. Beautiful. Taking trades that are perfect sometimes, and it shocks me. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? You once it clicks, it clicks. It really does. It's like riding a bike. Once it really clicks, it's gonna click for you. But now what you need to do is your mentality needs to handle the reality that you know what the heck you're doing, right? You're no longer a newbie, a rookie, a trader that makes these stupid, dumb mistakes. You have to connect it in your mind as well that, hey, I've earned this. You know, I'm doing this well. I'm on a path here. Let me just stay consistent with the things that I'm doing, and over time, I know I'll succeed. So just understanding, build that confidence within as well, and the belief, right, that hey, I am a profitable trader now. I do trade very well. I do have a good read on the markets. My playbook setups do work out most of the time. And then just go ahead and trust yourself, man, and let it flow. Let it flow. Oh, nice. Adrian Freedom. Beautiful. Yeah, so this stream is not, you guys don't have to trade my style either. Like, hey, I'm trading by my own, trading my own way and stuff. That's totally cool. You know, remember, what happens in a real, some of you guys trade on the floor, right? In these like stock exchanges. And does everyone trade the same exact way? Probably not, right? But is everyone there to hang out, chill, create that energy, create that buzz, right, on the trading floor? Yeah, so that's what this is about too. You know, if you guys want to learn from me, great. If you guys already bring your own profitable strategy to the table, that's perfect as well. You know, as long as you all got good vibes and you just coming here to hang out with some like-minded people and, you know, not be so lonely during trading, that's totally fine as well. Totally fine as well. Yeah, I agree. Mark, on Nasdaq here. This could potentially be a fake out. So daily very bearish here. So the one thing I didn't like about this this move here is I believe we broke the lows very early on in the candle. So if we're breaking the lows pretty early in the candle, then sometimes that candle has a it's like more bark than bite, you know. So maybe the threat down was just like a flop, you know, for price to continue up here today. But again, you know, we'll see all this play out on the lower time frame. So the lower time frame is always going to spill the beans here. So as long as we know how to keep up and track this lower time frame here, then you'll be a-okay. Yeah. Let's see what gold's doing here. So gold is moving down. So we did break the 30 highs, but now we're moving down. Okay, okay. Yeah, we just gotta wait. Got nothing here. Nothing. A little bit of spiritual advice. I'm winning 6% profit this week, or this 2 weeks, but I lose a little bit. But my spiritual advice, just let go and let God. Just let go and let God. Simple. And be grateful. Right? Be very, very grateful. If you're up in profits, you should just be thankful for that, you know? Don't worry about it. It's fine to take a loss here and there. How do you feel when you close the day without taking a trade? Like a true professional. I feel like a victorious man, that the market didn't present a setup for me and I didn't budge on anything outside of my plan. So it makes me feel like a superhero. Where do you check the trades that Raja take? Sometimes he posts them. Sometimes he doesn't. Sometimes he does. So I just seen it on a post. I think I was on Twitter or something. I'm here every day from May. Oh, damn. Adrian, let's go. It's the nut. YOLO trader. How you feeling, YOLO? Do I have a Twitter? Yeah, I have Twitter. TradingView is just the basically the platform I've always used to do chart work. So, you know, they typically just fall in line with one another. Does ACAP I don't see, that's the funny part. I didn't even know, does ACAP's 4-hour candle close an hour later? I did not know. I did not know that if that's the case. I used to trade like 20 times a day. It was weird. Every trade was a loser. Oh, man. Hey, thank you guys for the donos. Thank you, thank you. Thanks, y'all. Adrian Freedom, appreciate that. Big W, thank you, sir. You missed the link for the playbook? I got you. I got you. So if you guys are looking for any links, you can really just hit a exclamation point playbook and it'll pop up, but I just put it in the chat for you. Yeah, if you guys never seen our video on the playbook, you guys can go ahead and take a look at this video. Very, very helpful in terms of the way we trade, our style of trading. It's a 22-minute video, but I really do break things down. Try to break it down in its most simplest form and for everyone to understand. But that'll give you a really good idea of how we trade and what we look for in the markets. So remember, we have a deep exhaustion wick here, so that's why we don't want to like this thing could go all the way down here and still pop back up here. So we just want to wait at this point. 15 minutes trying to do something. It's consolidating a bit. So yeah, we just got nothing here. Nothing. You want a link to love? You're already on the link, Quaker. We love you here, man. Appreciate you coming by here today. Show some love to Quaker. I love that name. Where's Sam and John? What up, Daniel? Well, Sam is Sam. I talked to Sam earlier. He is out to. He's doing something with his dad, and then he'll be here. And John just popped up. Speaking of the man, here he is. Here he is. Here he is. Oh. Let's get him up.
Morning,
here.
Nick.
Hello, sir.
How you doing, brother?
Fantastic. How are you?
Blessed.
Feeling good?
Freaking blessed. I feel amazing.
Blessed, baby.
Ready for another day.
Blessed. Yeah.
Ready to trade my winning system and be patient and disciplined to it. I'm so ready.
Amen. Ain't it great?
Sir.
Ain't it great?
Hell yeah. It's definitely great. Makes my job very simple. Morning, chat. Happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a blessed day.
Yeah, take the floor for a sec. I'll be right back.
But I know Nick talked to you already, but it's another day to focus on being patient and disciplined to our system, right? By doing that, we're going to work out our patient and discipline muscle, and we'll also win the day, right? So, what up, what up? New haircut? Yeah. Yeah, I trimmed up my hair a little bit. What's up, Daisy? TK, how you doing? It's good. Yeah, chat. We here, we blessed. God has blessed us with another day. We got to smile. What's up, Rafi? What we doing? Yeah, it was just in the middle of reading this book called Magic and Thinking Big. Man, if y'all haven't checked this book out, y'all gotta read this. It's got some gems in it. Got some gems. What's up, AB Mike?
A lot of gems in that one.
Yeah, man.
One of my favorite books.
For real.
What up, Pitbull? What chapter you reading?
I'm on 11.
What's the name of it? What's the name of the game?
How to turn defeat into victory.
Woo! Stop playing.
Yeah, chat.
Yo, that's one of my favorite chapters of that book.
I'll tell y'all right now, the only way to battle a negative thought is to battle it with a positive thought. That's the way. Stop thinking of all the reasons you can't be successful. Start thinking of all the reasons why you can. Very simple, but not easy to do. For real. Just like we're in the charts, just like we're battling our emotions, the temptation to go against our plan. When we're battling our emotions, we're battling it with logic, right? Because we plan all these things out. So it's the same way in life. You got a negative thought, you got to replace that with a positive thought. Simple, but not easy. Just like trading.
Not easy, Johnny
Right.
Gems. When that pressure's on, man, it gets spooky.
Oh,
What
yeah.
you gonna do when that pressure comes? Because that pressure will come.
Pressure is privilege.
Pressure is privilege. Right? That pressure is gonna come to see how bad you really want it. Yeah, everyone wants it. But who really wants to get their hands dirty? Right? And
100%.
stay in the mud. When you're building the foundation of your life, it's gonna be muddy, gang. When you're building the foundation of everything, it's gonna be muddy. Right? Look at the way a house goes up. But once that foundation is built, how quick does the rest of it go up? And that's what we talk about with the big mo, right? When momentum comes into your life, it's over, man. Everything goes on autopilot at that point because you've done the groundwork, you've done the legwork, you've built the foundation. So if you can just find the peace, right, in the foundation building, then you'll understand how to tackle any mission that you're on. Every single thing you decide to step into will have that process that is tied to it. So are you willing to battle through the pressure points? Because on the other side of that is the most amazing dream that you have. It's that dream in your head. It's that dream that you're holding, right? And that's the opportunity for you. But you've got to be willing to push past the pressure when the pressure comes, right? There's a sowing and a reaping to everything. Some of you guys, study Newton's third law, right? Study that, right? Understand that everything is attached in one way or another, that when you do something else comes of it, right? You got to understand it.
We're all gonna get hit with the temptation to quit along the journey. And how you think in that moment when you're in the journey determines if you're gonna be successful or not. Right?
Yup. Big yups.
And understanding, y'all, that no one's gonna believe in yourself. No one's gonna believe in you except yourself, right? That's why you gotta believe in yourself, because no one's gonna do it until you start to believe in you. Remember, in that book, they said that the number one ingredient of a successful person is he believes in himself. We gotta believe in ourselves.
Yep. Either Nas buys are looking good. Oh, nice. You seem like a typical Dogecoin investor. Yeah, Dogecoin, man. Shout out to Doji. Little 10 stacks on Doji in 2020. Little 10 stackaroo. We'll take it. Did I read The Secret? I never read The Secret. Nope. Pressure makes diamonds, baby. That's so true. So true.
And it's so important, y'all, too, to get out of your comfort zone. So important that you start to get comfortable being uncomfortable, because that's where growth starts to happen.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Nick, I'm sure you know this too. It's hella important. No one wants to be uncomfortable, but getting comfortable being uncomfortable really sets you up for growth.
100%.
Straight up.
That's the separator, right? Most people aren't willing to be uncomfortable. So if you can just be willing to be uncomfortable and get through what you need to get through, you'll have what most people don't have, because you're willing to do what most people aren't willing to do. It's so simple. It's not that hard to separate yourself from from the masses these days. And there's never been a better time to really take control and ownership of your life and your finances and that dream that you got, man. The most important thing you got is that dream, right? God put that in your heart, and that's what your calling is, right? So you want to, by all means, do that. Don't let society say you need this or need that or got to live life this way or that way. Just, you know what you need to do. So my support here is not my support doesn't really have much to do with what you see here. My support is something that we see over here. So I think it was on the 1 hour. Yeah, it's this 1 hour support right there. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, 30 minutes not bad. So if you get a close below there, it looks pretty good. Blader.
Yeah, like below there. Me and you got the same charts marked up, brother.
Nice. Yeah, so we broke those lows. We'll see if the 30 can pull back. So we're re-breaking daily lows here again. So if the 30 can pull back, right, and close somewhere around like 1944, 620, then we can anticipate a wick fill and then a continuation down here.
We got some range. We got range to go down. And daily candle on none to do with an up today.
Word. Nothing. Nothing at all.
I was expecting price to continue bullish, but gold doesn't care, right?
Nope. GJ nothing. Nas 100 moving up. Moving up slowly here. Slowly. Gold though. Gold is unstoppable here today. That's what I love about gold. When gold wants to run, when gold wants to rally, gold will rally. It'll rally.
Say less. Yo, what's up, Yanosh? That's facts. 930 is the cheat code. That's a fact.
Yeah, so if we are going to take this in, if we're going to look to take a position in 2 minutes, then we definitely need to see a close below here. All right, close below here. Wick fill will be where we take partials, and then TP will be down there or something. But yeah, it's got to close below there. 2 minutes. We'll see. Give me 1 sec.
The 930 barcode strategy loaded. It's funny. Just bleeding? Yeah, just bleeding. This daily candle's literally just been bleeding. Hey, good morning, Sandman. Appreciate you. If you scroll a bit to the left, there's another support level on the 30-minute. You're talking about the one at 1942. Yes, correct. Less than a minute here, chat. Daily lows, remember daily lows have been broken. So what could that mean with price action? Maybe we want to continue on down now, right? Let's just continue to see how the session plays out.
Man, I'm out of Mountain Valley water. Forgot.
Damn.
Guess we'll have to settle for a good old plastic water bottle today.
It's all good.
No water.
Pour it in the glass.
Let's pour it in the bottle. Don't do it. Nothing here on the closure. We closed, yeah, we never even closed below this support. We could even get rid of this one here. Never closed above. So yeah, I think we're off now to the 4-hour candle and seeing how we close here. Yep, nothing there on the 30-minute. Nothing.
Facts. 4 hour will give us a lot more information.
Yeah, you see a lot of people are going to look at this support right here, right? So notice how our support is at 1945.254. A lot of traders are most likely entering sells here, and they could be right. They could be right, but I think they're basing it off of this support right here. And that's something that I used to do as well and wonder what happened. And then that's when I would look back on the trade and notice, you know, to the left-hand side, things weren't right. But we're going to use that support. That's going to be the strongest support there on the 30-minute. So I'm not going to take any sells here. How many people we got hanging out here with us today? Let's take a look. 1,700. Oh, nice. 1,777 people today.
Oh,
Appreciate you guys coming by. All 1,777 of y'all. Thanks for stopping by here today. Hope you're enjoying the stream.
shout out, y'all.
Hope you're winning in life. Hope you're dominating, man. If you guys could like the stream, give the stream a like here today. Now's probably a good time to plug our Monday night Bible study. So we're going to be diving into the book of Proverbs on Monday. We're going to be talking a lot about money and wealth and finances and what to do with them. So we look forward to seeing y'all there. It'll be a good one.
Yo, facts.
Talking about the moolah. The money.
Very important. And I don't know any of y'all, but give yourself some props for being here, right? There's people here. There's people right now who are sleeping, and you guys are out here hungry, trying to learn, or just trying to get better in life, right? So give yourself some props.
Yes, sir. And for being here today, we're giving away 3 seats, I think. Maybe more, probably more, but 3 seats to our 3-day boot camp here. So all you have to do is go on yesterday's live stream. So go to our channel. Come over to live, and this is today's live stream. Come over to yesterday's live and just leave a comment. Oh, nice. 264 comments at this point. Beautiful. So, yeah, if you guys want to win a seat to the 3-day boot camp that we're putting together later on this month, then give a comment on the stream here. And, yeah, we're going to do the giveaway here a little bit later.
And that boot camp's about to be flames. It's about to be fire.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Yeah, come on, come with us on Monday and learn life. Learn a little bit of life. Learn a little bit about wealth, the real meaning of wealth, not what your favorite rapper, actor, or musician or athlete tells you about money. Not what your friends tell you about money. You certainly most likely don't want to listen to them unless you got good friends. But let's go ahead and see what the Word says about money, right? What Proverbs says about money. What the wisest man that ever lived has to say about money. Bootcamp. Nothing here on the 30.
While we could. Hey, but while we continue to work out our patient muscle, I think it's pretty important to talk about how important it is to have a self development program. Straight up, like if you ain't getting better, you're only getting worse. Unfortunately, if your habits aren't good habits, they must be bad habits. So I think it's very important. Like me myself, I have my self development program. I focus on my mind, my body, and my spirit, right? And I focus on having good habits that are going to help improve those areas of my life so I can always get better, right? People, you're just going to, by doing this, you're just going to pass by people. You're going to fly by them. The sky's the limit for you. While people are getting worse, you're only getting better, right?
Yes, sir. The slight edge lifestyle.
Facts,
it's the
bro.
slight edge life.
Effect.
Oh, nice. Look at that. 15 candle close bullish. Awesome. Yeah, you really don't want to take a sell here on the 30 minute. Look at the 15 minute. Just not looking good.
And literally the last two 30-minute candles rejecting that 1943 area. So straight on the sells.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. How was that steaky last night, John? They were asking me about the steaky.
It was amazing, dude. Yes. Hit the spot, did the job. Gave me my protein.
It did the job.
Tasted good. How was your steak, bro? I think I asked you.
What'd you get last night?
Got the sirloin.
Sirloin.
Yeah, I didn't go with the ribeye. I went with the sirloin.
Got that surly.
Yeah, pretty good. It was good though.
It was good.
Yours was good, right?
Fire. I had to go to work on that thing, man. I was getting tired.
Yo, for real, bro. You were the last one.
I was slowing down a bit.
That's true. You were. You had to be a dog though and finish that up. Couldn't leave it on the plate. Like you're gonna look soft.
I look soft in front of my family. You ain't finished that whole porterhouse. You soft, bro.
Nick knows I would have called him out on it. That's why I had to dog it down.
I was dogging it down regardless.
Exactly.
Yeah, so we'll just wait. Time to wait. So now we gotta see how the 4-hour candle is gonna close here. See what the 30-minute does. Not looking the greatest on sells right here because just chalked on this 15 time frame. Pull up, pull up. All right. Did anyone see the new trailer of Band of Brothers? No. At least I didn't. Will Monday night be live? We're probably gonna do Monday night on Zoom. I'll let you guys know on Monday if we're gonna actually stream it on YouTube. Why are you checking the 15 and the 4 hour? Only checking the 15 and the 4 hour? What do you mean? This is the 30-minute time frame. Hey Pablo, good morning, bro. How you doing? Can we check Nas?
Pablo.
Yeah, nice. Moving up. Moving on up to the east side. Yeah, so you did have the range 2 on the 30, so yeah, we'll keep that in mind as we move forward. But we'll see what happens. You might get a hold up here and a retest, and then that's probably the safest buy here going against daily bias.
Nasdaq, right?
Why am I only looking at the 30-minute and the 4 hour? So why didn't we buy after the 15? Because this 15 is the last 15 of the 4 hour, so never really like touching that candle. There's not a buy here because price still closed below. There's also not a sell because it's super choppy. At this point where there's like 20 minutes left on the candle, there's no point in taking a trade. Just let the 4 hour close up. That's going to be your best idea there. So if it closes below support, oh, this is the 4 hour support too. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, it's the 1 hour. Yeah, so if it does close below below the support level, then there's going to be a high opportunity. So now if we get another closure back below, then there may be a selling opportunity. But first, price is going to have to move up because we've got to pull back, and then we've also got to make a pullback for the next 4 hour candle and then drive down. So regardless, there's most likely going to be a move up. It's just whether or not will the 4 hour close below, because if it does, then that move up is probably a retracement to continue down. But if it doesn't, then there's a high probability that that move up will actually probably be the new 4 hour creating a support, because on a bullish day right now, this is your bottom wick on the daily candle. So if we are going to move up, you're going to create a support and then start to make your way upwards. If not, we'll wait for our closures just like we've been waiting for them below the 30-minute time frame. It's good because we're getting a bit of a range here now. So that's good. We're trying to get a little bit of a resistance here. Free Sam. Sam's here. Sam's, it's time to eat.
Let me go to my Zoom.
Thank you for accompanying, giving us so nice. You're welcome,
And the man.
Shredzy TV. You're welcome. Sam's here.
Excuse me. Yep.
Let's pull him up.
Bink, bink. Oi.
What up, mate?
What's up, mate?
How was your early morning breakfast?
Yo, it was great.
It's
It was
good?
great. Yeah,
Morning,
it's
Sam.
great. What's going on, brother?
Morning.
Going on, everyone in the chat?
What'd
How's
your,
everyone's Friday going?
what'd your Spidey sensors come out yet last night? Woke you up for that
Yeah,
trade?
bro, I was like this. Started twitching.
Closure below.
I
Resistance.
was like, breakout play?
London Open.
And then I seen Raja was taking it too.
Oh.
I started rubbing my hands like Birdman, bro. I was like,
Paper plates. Paper plates.
I was already in it, and then I was just like sitting there. Bro, that London volume was chalked. I ain't gonna lie. There was a point in that trade where I was like, this is going to stop loss.
Oh, yeah?
Just because maybe, or no. I think it was like, it went like 6 or 7 pips in profit, and I was like, ooh. And then it came back to entry, and then I was like,
Yeah.
nah, but it played out. But it was just like different how that candle played out. Like if that candle would have played out the same way,
Yeah.
like in New York,
Oh, I know.
you
That
know
was
what I mean? Like
2
because it
a.m.,
was like
right?
one of them. Yeah.
right here.
Yeah, so that's the London Open now since the clocks rolled back for us.
So actually, I would have been late on this trade, gang. I woke up at 3.
Dang.
Something was calling me to my computer.
Those are those spidey senses.
Spidey senses were calling.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't really. That was like the only good move down to.
How was
Like, you got a
breakfast?
couple onions, but then yo, good, bro.
Yeah.
Good. I had pancakes,
Holy.
eggs. Bro, what else I have? Why can't I think what they're called, bro? Oh, bacon,
Hash browns.
sausage.
You got some grits?
Nah, I ain't got none of that. That's down south, bro. Why do you guys say I'm made in Ross?
Yo,
Oh man. Joey Stu, how'd you like that burger last night, bud?
hey, yo.
Thing was moving.
Bing, bing, bing.
Yo, be honest.
How'd you like that burger, kid?
Who, me?
No, Joe Stu. Damn, you guys had breakfast
Oh.
early too. Your dad was up early.
Yeah, and then you know what he said he's doing? He's going back to bed. Yeah, nah. He's like me, bro. Crack of dawn. You gotta be up when them chickens are out, bro.
Yeah.
Get up
Got to,
early.
man.
Get
Different
yeah,
feeling.
Nah, yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
used to
nah.
stay up
Powerful
late.
feeling.
Used to stay up
Happy
late.
Veterans Day, though. to
Oh yeah, happy
everybody.
Veterans Day,
And,
all the veterans
Thank
here,
you
man.
to
Facts.
everybody that served. Thank you for your service, no matter where you are in the world.
Facts.
Facts. Thank you
facts.
for your service.
Who's a veteran here? Don't lie. Seriously.
Excuse me. Hey, man, if you see a veteran, make sure you thank him for your service.
Yeah, don't lie. Stolen valor, that's a felony. And you
Yeah.
get arrested for that. States.
Yeah, I know
Veteran, baby.
TK's a veteran. Yep, TK. Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
TK.
Hunter,
Thank you
thank
for
you,
your
sir.
service, TK.
Thank all
Thank you,
y'all, man.
TK.
Appreciate
Sir,
you
Thank
guys.
you, Hunter. Thank you, Rob.
Oh,
Forex
beautiful.
Frank. Brian.
Thank you, Frank, Rob.
Yeah, man. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah,
Appreciate the
thank
service
you guys all
and
for your service.
willing to lay it on the line.
Bless for y'all. I'm praying blessings upon all y'all.
Yeah, and if you guys did tours and all that, thanks to your family, right? Your wife holding down the house, the kids holding it down. Thank you guys, man. There's a lot that goes into that. I know a lot of vets, and it's not just the man that goes out, right? It's the whole family that sacrifices, and the whole family who is really dedicating themselves to the cause. So really, really, really appreciate you guys, man. Big blessings today.
Grateful for y'all.
Big blessings.
Yeah, like the stream for the vets here today. Let's go. $9.30 looking like the play here again today, gang. We'll take it.
Say less.
We need to break above all this crap on the 15-minute here. Thank you, Cam. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much, man. Big W.
Cam.
Oh, wow. Hunter.
Giving shots with bullets in the shot.
Was Rafi coming on today? Yeah, I think Rafi's going to be here today. Yeah, I think so.
He's here in the Zoom.
Oh, he's
Yeah.
here? Oh, okay.
Yeah, free him.
Rafi's actually here. Let's pull him up. Let's see what he's got to say here. I think we got some time anyway. We're going to be waiting for a few.
Hey,
Bless us with some value.
wisdom.
There he is. There he
I
is.
was just about to
Let's
say that.
get him up. He's in
Bring
the
him out.
vault. He's in the vault again. The gold vault. What up, Rafi?
Free at last.
My man.
Freedom.
How we doing? Let's unleash him.
What's going on, fellas?
He's
What's up,
unleashed.
brother?
Unleashed. Everything Gucci, bro. Everything Gucci.
What's the good word? How was the day?
Oh man, it was good. I
Yeah.
caught that one 6 a.m. candle.
Lovely.
I was at the mall, and I looked, and my wife was at Sephora getting some things. I'm like, hold on, babe. Let me just 2 minutes here. Let me see what this candle's gonna do. And yep, just got it.
Ooh,
Close to what we were
15
eating dinner.
Yeah.
No,
nice.
it was in the 30.
It's 6
Yeah.
a.m.
Well,
Yeah.
it's 7 p.m. for me. If you look at that, you see
Oh.
like that one candle didn't have a top wick,
Yeah.
and then you see that other one gave it a wick, and then you saw that melting. So
Nice.
that was good.
Nice, brother.
Nice,
That's that
nice.
trader
How
lifestyle.
about you guys?
At the mall.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's what it is.
Dimed it at
For
the
real.
mall. Sheesh.
That's some boss stuff.
At the mall, yeah. I'd have been
Oh.
quaking.
You
in the
know?
mall, bro.
Yeah, people say, yo, you need to be in the right space. You need to be focused. I feel like that's right, but I feel like if you train your mind to do something, and you are focused on what it is that you're doing, and you're completely believing yourself and your skills, you could play any trade anywhere.
Yeah.
You could be. I mean, I place trades on the treadmill at the gym, and people say don't
You
trade
gotta-
at the gym. I'm like,
he was-
well,
He was running with a runner. He was running with a
I
runner.
was just walking.
He's walking with a
I
runner.
was just walking.
Oh, late.
I placed my alarms, and it just hit it, and I was like, okay, there's 2 minutes. I'm gonna see before I do anything. I'm just gonna wait. And yeah, so I feel like if you, man, I'm against breaking every limiting belief that anybody tells you not to do. I'm against that. I'm like, you told me I can't do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna prove to you that I can. So that's what I've done. If you wanna be free,
Mhm.
and you happen to be on a trip, you trust your skills. You see a setup. You see your entry.
Boom.
Why not?
Bink.
Right?
Bink it off.
100% agree.
Bink, exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
100% agree.
I love that, man. I love that. Yeah, because once you really got this thing down and you're familiar, I mean, if we were in live streaming, you could easily mark your charts up, wait for 30 closures, and then that's your sign, right? So, sometimes you can be out and about, but as long as you got the skill set down, know what you're looking for, and prepared, I don't see why not. Just don't do it at the beach and post
Yeah, that's
about
what I
it.
do. I set my alarms. I set like alarm
Yeah.
here, alarm here.
Yeah, just wait.
You already know
Hit
the
me up.
time. You already know how it moves.
Yeah.
Hit me up when this happens.
Yeah, send me an
Yeah.
alert when we get there. Send me an alert when we get there. Oh, hey gang! Quick reminder: we're doing some giveaways here for the boot camp, the 3-day boot camp that we're putting together at the end of November. In order to participate in the giveaway, we need you guys to go over to yesterday's live stream and give the stream a comment. So comment on the live stream here, which was yesterday's live stream. It says Thursday on it. Just put a comment in there, and yeah, we're gonna pick some random winners here. But I'm excited about the giveaway here, and the boot camp itself. Let's see, what do
Yeah,
we
I'm
got?
excited.
300 comments. Perfect.
Get some likes on the
Giveaways
stream
are the
for the
best.
giveaway.
Yeah. We may give away we'll probably give away a month of free signals too to 1 or 2 people, just cause I don't know, why not? Let's just do a whole giveaway today. Today's gonna be a giveaway stream. Give
Just
it away,
because it's
give it
good to be
away,
nice.
give it away. Yeah, I feel like it's a vibe here on Friday.
Sure.
Bioengineered fish. Yeah, man. Bring out the whole giveaways. Yeah, so we're gonna be preparing. We're really really excited about the giveaway. Rafi, Sam, and John's gonna be there. We were all talking a little bit yesterday. Just super excited about really just pouring into y'all. You know what I mean? Just giving it the best we got. Putting together a super straight to the point curriculum that we can move through really quickly. And you know, you're gonna hear a lot from me. You're gonna hear a lot from Sam, Rafi, and these guys. And we really have a lot of good stuff to put out there. So for those who are really trying to build momentum going into 2024, this is the boot camp for you. This is the boot camp. A much deeper dive. So you see how you can ask us questions on the chat? Like we're gonna set aside a whole Q&A for this, and you know, really just to hear from you, get to talk more one-on-one, a little bit more intimate, and you know, really drive the point in, right?
Yeah, I've even got some ideas too that I don't want to say them out loud. I can't spill the sauce, but
Don't spill it.
I won't.
Don't spill it. And we'll also have a special guest. So every one of the boot camps that we do, I'm gonna try and get one of my friends to come in. And this special guest is we can't say the name, so we can't reveal the guest until like he actually pulls up on the date. But I'm gonna get a really good guest to come in and talk about their journey on trading. And there's someone who has just been absolutely killing the game. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. There goes the 1 hour. Lovely. Yeah, this 1 hour needs
You
to
see
flip.
how slowly this is like moving right now though? Between that like 8:45 to 9.
Yep.
This is like how London volume was for that trade.
Yep. That's why we ain't in it.
Slow, bro.
Uh-huh.
Sure.
But once we
No,
break
I'm
out.
saying that's why I don't trade London. Shit's slow, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, we should get back going with that volume.
Yeah, 9:30. 9:30 I think is going to be the play. 9:15, 9:30 here today.
Smelling like it.
Yeah. Give me a sec. I'll be right back.
Like 9:30. Check Nas. Hey, Nas is just driving right now. Me personally, I would like to see a retracement. Maybe like resistance created or something. Hey, yeah, chat, if you haven't today, please give the stream a like. Helps the channel grow. It helps other traders get to see the channel, other lonely traders. So give the trade a like if you haven't yet.
Yeah, leave it a like. Leave it a like.
Facts.
If you guys all press it at one time, it'll quake. Watch it.
Facts. It'll start to quake.
Is that a range 2 on Nas on the 15? Let me look.
15.
I'd say so. You had a range 2 celery.
Facts. Does look like range seller. You can try to stick to the 30-minute though. 15-minute could be weak. There's a time and place to trade the 15-minute. But 30-minute is going to be a better time frame than the 15-minute.
Juicer. Juice box. Don't worry if you didn't take it. Don't worry, right? The one thing that really crushes traders a lot on most trading days is the whole shoulda, coulda, woulda theory, right? Like you take a really good trade and you go, man, you know I snagged such great profit today, but man, I could have did this or I should have did that, and you kind of let it, and that's good for future reference on like another trade, but don't let that type of stuff get you down. I remember I used to do that all the time. I would take a really nice trade and go into profit a little bit and close my position and think, man, I could have, if I would have held, then I could have made this and I should have did that, right? Just enjoy the profits that you make. If you leave the desk with a profitable day, man, just be grateful for that. And you can ask the shoulda, coulda, woulda thing to prepare yourself for your next trade, but don't do the shoulda, coulda, woulda thing to depress you, right? Because that could be depressing. So just take what the market's giving you, right? There's nothing wrong with taking profits along the way. And a lot of that has to do with some mentality stuff as well, and just really being content with what it is, right, that you got. And you took a winning trade, pat yourself on the back, and you know, ask those shoulda, coulda, woulda, but only for future trading references. You know, because I know that most of the time when traders do that, that's not why they're doing it. And when they're doing it in a way, they're beating themselves up a little bit. So just understand, man. And after every trading session, you're going to probably have those, you know, those 3 questions. What could I have done better? What should I have done better? And what would have happened if I did this, right? And just, again, use that for education. Don't use it in a way to beat you down in your mindset, if that makes sense.
For real, understand that there's going to be another day, right? Like trades are like buses. There's another one coming. Just focus on the next day, the next session, right? There'll be more trades to come.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and that's something that we're going to talk about in the bootcamp, you know, because we already talk about having our playbook, right? And that's from the technical point. But when we talk about the mental playbook, like what is your plan? Very few of you guys might have one, right? We're just thinking, we're just trying to decode what's going to happen. And it's just like the same thing with an athlete, you know, like a baseball player. You're going to go into the plate. Oh, I should have swung at that fastball. You were not ready to swing at that fastball, because if you were, you would have smashed that fastball, right? So having a mental framework of what we do with our strategy, that's when you can go to the mall and do whatever you want, because you already know your strategy, you already know your mental framework, you already know what could possibly happen. And when you understand that, it's like, you're not going to second guess yourself. You're not going to, oh, I should have done this or I should have done that. You already know, and you just do. And, you know, it's a game of probabilities. If it plays out, you know what it is. And if it doesn't play out, you know what it is as well, you know? So it's like, when you have that mental framework clear, the execution of the strategy becomes a lot easier.
Mm-hmm. Very true.
Facts.
Because you're no longer depending on your emotion, right, to make those decisions for you. You already have a prior plan prepared. And that right there, like even in life in general, if you can take the thinking away by doing little things like picking out your clothes before, you know, the night before, getting things ready the night before, like just like that in life, you're going to have a much easier start to the day. So same thing in your trading, right? If you have a plan prior to the trade, then that makes your trade management just a bit more easeful, right? Than to just be in there worrying about what you're going to do. You'll notice every trade we take, there's a plan in place, right, before that trade is taken. So very, very important stuff. You know, you want to limit the thinking as best as you can and run your life based off systems. And those systems will guide you to where you want to go, because those systems are built and they're designed to get you from point A to point B. So no longer do you need to do the thinking, just now participate in the system. Yeah. Let's talk about this 4-hour closure here really quick, and then we'll chat a bit. So 4-hour did close below, right? So let's get rid of all the drawings here. 4-hour candle did close below here on gold. So if you guys notice, there's a support right here, and we did close below there. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the 1-hour time frame here, because the 1-hour time frame closed bearish, but the 30-minute time frame closed bullish. So this candle is very important to us, because if this candle closes bearish after and below the support, what has happened here? Price has created a resistance, right, at this point, and then the next candle should drive down. Now that's one scenario. Now if this candle closes bullish, then, and I believe we probably need to get a closure above this resistance, or maybe even 48 here, but 930 will come in, and then that will bring more volume here into the markets. And what happens when volume's in, right? We're going to blast through these little minor levels of resistance, and then go ahead and retest the resistance, the main resistance, which is up here at like 54, right? So that's the possibility. You don't really want to, you do have a 30-minute support. I don't really want to take a buy just yet with the way the 4-hour and the 1-hour candles are closing. I think we need another about another 15-minute or a 30-minute confirmation in order for us to really say we can go, right? Because right now we're just gonna range here a bit, and we need a leader, right? We need a leading candle to start, making the way and leading the way here. So we'll see what happens. We've got a support, we've got a resistance. If you close below, very high chance we'll move down. If we move bullish, close bullish here on the 30-minute or the 15, then I think we have a good opportunity of moving up here. But we gotta still wait, man. Still gotta wait. If you have a move here, you take your move. My move is still gonna wait. I'm not gonna take a sell because we're right at support. Same support right here, and I'm also not gonna take a buy because 4 hours closed bearish, 1 hour is closed bearish. So we just, gotta sit here and wait. And 15 minutes chalked. Just gotta wait. The stream is go. A neutral human. Let's go. I signed up for the bootcamp. We haven't. there's no link yet. Yeah, we're gonna put the link out here in a little bit. After we do the giveaway, we'll put the link out. I don't want you guys to purchase the bootcamp and then win the free giveaway. Let's take a look at pound yen here. Nothing here on GJ. Let's go ahead and see how the 4 hour closed. I think we closed pretty strong bullish here. Yeah, very nice. So yeah, nice move up on Nasdaq. Nice breakout there. Yeah, lovely. Anybody take the buys? Oh, damn. Holy. Oh, took the... Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Took the buys. Nice. Oh, nice, dude. Lucas, good job. 77 pips. Lovely. Nothing. 3 lot bought the lows. Great job, SpongeBob. Beautiful, beautiful. You trade solely off price action? I do, yeah. Yep. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Usman, nice. 3 trades, 3 dubs. Lovely. I'm in the Nasdaq still. Took it on the hedge. Waiting for the reversal. Nice. Yeah, if it comes. Yeah, it might come now because 4 hour closed. Strong bullish, but not really the best top wick there. So you might see us come down now. Crypto on the move here. We're struggling here for the last 3 hours now.
You gotta get that Doge coin.
Doji.
Doggy coin.
That dog coin.
Shiba Inu. Bring that dog out.
Any advice when you set up your trade and then feeling afraid if you lose it? Yeah, losing's part of the game. So unfortunately, you're not gonna dodge losses here in trading. You could do everything right and still take a loss. Losses are just little lessons, and sometimes they're no lesson at all. Sometimes they're just probability didn't work out. You really got to get over the losses, gang. Yeah, every professional trader at some point needs to get over a loss, and then then you'll be well on your way. Yeah, you got to redefine what a loss means to you. It's really not that big of a deal. Every trader is going to take losses.
And the best way to accept a loss, chat, is just by moving on to the next trade. Right?
On to the next. Yeah. On to the next trade. Yeah, we'll talk a lot about that, I'm sure, on the boot camp as well. Just really redefining what a loss means, redefining what a win means, understanding what probabilities are really about, and how to take all that and set the expectations right for yourself as a day trader. You know, very, very rarely will you hear of a guy who's been trading 20 years and he just says, yeah, I just win all the time. Yeah, I never lose. Never happens to me. Oh, that losing thing that happens to you? Yeah, I don't take loss in the market. You know, very rarely are you going to hear that. What you are going to hear is like a 16-year-old kid pulling up like, you suck at trading because you took a loss. You know, those are the. So anytime you see that behind a username, just understand that's probably like a 15-year-old kid who probably never even placed a trade and is just on here, you know, doing what 15-year-old kids do.
Gotta learn to lose.
Yeah, where's markets? Oh man, forgive me. I can't remember the full username. You've been trading 20 plus years. 20 plus years. Markets. I know it's another M. Where are you? Where are you? I know. There he is. There he is. Yeah, Mark's market forecast. Hey man, you ever take a loss in those 20 years? You ever have a losing week, a losing month, a losing quarter? See, that's the guy I want to listen to. That's the guy I want to take advice from. Someone who's well ahead of me in trading, has way more years of experience, right? I want to listen to him when we take a loss, or maybe you get a few losses. Those are the guys you want to listen to, right? Not the little kids, you know, not the Quakers, but the more experienced people who have already been through so many cycles and so many quarters and understand market movements and all that stuff. Yeah, there he goes. You'll have good years and you'll have not so good years. The long period of time. So if you have an off year, don't worry. See, he's talking about an off year. Some of you guys can't even take a loss on your demo account. And he's talking about you may have a losing year. Holy, y'all sure you're ready for the game? Are you sure you're ready for the game?
Rethink it.
Rethink it this weekend. Yeah, I appreciate you coming on here too, man, and just hanging out with us young whippersnappers here in the markets. I'm sure you giggle a little bit from time to time, but, you know, we're trying to get on your level. I've never seen drawdown in my life ever.
He's got
That's been perfect trades.
That's the Chris Kyle entry, bro.
Go stare at the doorknob.
You know,
yeah.
one of the
Go ahead, Rafi.
one of the things that, one of the things that, you know, we talk about, you know, how many times have you heard other people saying that, you know, losing is part of the game? Like, you hear it all the time, and people still don't understand it, because people just simply don't know how to deal with the pain that comes with the perception of losing. Like, for example, whatever happens in your brain when you take a loss might be different than one of mine, you know? And whatever I think about is probably different than you know, somebody else's, you know? It's like, how do we deal with that without pain? I haven't seen one trader teaching how to deal with the pain that comes with the loss. And that's the reason why a lot of people don't understand. Okay, you know, losing is part of the game. Yeah, but how do you deal with the pain? That's what a lot of people don't understand. That's why a lot of people don't know how to deal with it. And that's the same question that I, you know, get asked all the time. How do you deal with losses? It's like, okay, so how do you deal with the pain? Because if you think about it, when you cut your losses short or when you cut your winners short, why does that happen? It's an emotion, right? If you have a mental framework, you have a plan, you know what you're doing. But when you don't, it's an emotion that is making you react that way. And that emotion is fear. Fear of losing your profits or fear of getting stopped out, right? So like, what is it? You are fear of the pain that comes with it, right? So it's really deep if you think about it, you know? So it's like, that's why understanding these things, you know, it's like, how do we deal with pain? What does this pain mean? Like, what is your perception of this losing trade? Once you understand that, that's why having a mental framework is so powerful and so important. Because when you take the loss, your perception on that loss completely changes. It's just like doing business, you know? It's like you're running ads, and sometimes your ads are not gonna bring any sales. Mm-hmm. You're not wasting money. You're not losing money. It's just part of the business, you know what I'm saying? So when you start seeing things like that, it's like a loss, it's just part of the business.
Exactly.
Well, you got to learn how to deal with the pain.
It's literally a business expense. It's the cost of doing business with the markets, man.
Into the markets.
It's like when we would say, it's our time to pay rent.
Yep. Exactly. 15-minute candle closure here. So nothing on the 15, right? So basically this is what we got. This what we got here on the 15 is a resistance, right? And a support. And we're basically just consolidating now. So when's the breakout going to come? 9:30? I think so. Can we wait patiently? That's the question. All right, because if 9:30, if we close here on the 15-minute candle hit like this, well, that also means the 30-minute candle is going to close below support as well, right? So then what can we expect? Volume to push us down here, right? So, and same thing above. Same thing above. If this candle ends up now pushing up and closing above, then that means you have a strong 30 closure here. And price will most likely make its way up top. So we're just going to follow price here. We've got it surrounded. Blue 5 counts in total. Oh, nice. That's light too, man. SpongeBob. Yeah, but you don't want to blow any more than you have to, you know. Oh, that was some cool font. Oh, let's see here. Give you an example. Other than the longs I took in January, my whole year was based on the last 2 months. Big moves in oil and big moves in indices. Oh, nice. About 10 trades made my year. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Do traders retire from trading? I don't know. I don't know if that's a thing. The only way you leave this game is in a box. Trading's like the mafia. You don't ever leave the game.
Can't retire.
The only way you leave trading's in a box. Why don't you take NASDAQ? I'm not trading NASDAQ. I don't trade NAS. I'm just studying it for when we do begin to trade it in January. Yeah, this pair right now we're just sample sizing. That's it. Do you have a mentorship program? Right here. This is a mentorship program in itself. Literally right here. Just come here. We're literally here every day. Just hanging out. Just having fun. The Groomsmith.
Groomsmith.
What up, my dog? That's my
up,
dog.
Groomsmith?
That's my dog. Hey, Groomsmith, I look forward to seeing you on Monday night. Yeah, retirement trading is like swing trading. Yeah. Start swinging it.
Hey, it's good to know the markets are always going to be here. So when I'm 80, I can keep scalping gold.
Yeah, especially gold. Gold been here forever, bro.
Gonna be binking at
real.
90. Bink, bink.
It's actually, that's actually why I trade gold, so that way I know it's never gonna go away.
Vroomsmith.
90.
Ooh. Vroom, vroom.
90 years old, looking for the same breakout plays, support created, resistance created plays. Doing the same thing.
90 years old, looking for celeries. All right, I think I got a. Let me show you here. Talking to your great grandchildren. Let me show you here, Sonny. Here's a 930 celery. If you just wait here and look for this every day, you'll be a multi-millionaire.
And he ain't capping.
He ain't cap. All right, 10 minutes left here. I have a yes. Let's see. I have a doubt in yesterday's gold trade. Buy entry in that trade market looks like overextended breakout in 30-minute time frame. Then why did you take the trade? Can you please explain kindly? Absolutely. So let's go back to yesterday's trade on gold, which was right here. So yesterday we had a bearish day, right? So the day was bearish. We were basing it off of this candle right here, expecting price to potentially move down. So all throughout the session we were looking for those sells, but never, if you notice on the 1 hour time frame, we were never really able to get any closures, right? So then the 4 hour candle closed bullish, right? And if this 4 hour candle is closing, so we noticed that there was a range right here. So you had this range here, and we were anticipating, hey, if the 4 hour candle can close below that range, this 4 hour candle right here, then potentially if we break these lows, we've got clean traffic coming down, we should be able to move, right? But the 4 hour candle closed bullish. And not only did the 4 hour candle close bullish, but the 1 hour candle closed bullish. And not only did the 1 hour candle close bullish, but the 30-minute candle closed bullish. And yes, I understand where you come from with the overextended, but if you go down to the 15-minute, you'll notice we created a strong support. And that was we needed this support right here. So remember how we had potential fake outs below to move back down, but then we came back and faked back out. So now the 4 hour was bullish, the 1 hour was bullish, the 30-minute was bullish, the 15-minute closed bullish and gave us a support at 9:30 while volume was in, clean traffic to the left. That's where you have to pivot. So that's what we call the pivot, and really being able to very swiftly transition from your selling bias to your buying bias. And it's got to be done flawlessly and quickly. As you can see, the market won't wait for you. So you got to make sense of things quickly and be on your toes. And that's the reason that we switched up the bias there yesterday and ended up taking these buys here on this candle. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. Hopefully that clears your doubts. Let me know if you have any other questions. Rolex. Shout out to Rolex. So we got 7 minutes here on the 30-minute closure. If you do close below, very high chance we fill this wick. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the wick fill. See that wick right there? Very high chance we fill that wick. Will the playbook work for all Forex pairs? Yes, but in its own unique way. So all those different pairs have all different times and little nuances that come with it. So you just really got to seek out the volume times for that pair that you're trading and then study it a little bit, right? Study the nuances a bit. And I always say spend some time sample sizing and before you actually execute. tell us. Oh, Rafi, they want tell the story. How did you meet? I guess how did we meet, right? Is he a trader or is he just a coach? You can answer that, my friend.
Yo, it was really, I think it was just a divine intervention, honestly. I don't know what I was going for. I just got into YouTube and I was going to look at something and I saw that, I've always, so here, just, back up a little bit. I've always wanted to, find a mentor that actually, traded gold. Because everybody told me that you cannot trade gold unless you have 4 or 5 years of experience. And I said, I'm not going to accept that. I'm going to trade gold because I want to. And I'm going to put that in my mind and I'm going to make it happen. So I've been kind of like trying to find a mentor that trades gold. And it seems like everybody trades currency. Sometimes people trade gold a little bit or whatever. And I think I was typing like gold strategy or something. And then your stream popped up. And I was like, wait a second, what's going on here? Live trading? I'm like, what? And then I jumped into the live and I was like, yo, this guy is my dude. Like, I just, vibe with everything, And I'm like, yo, I'm just going to keep popping in. And I was already kind of like going through, Raja's training. I'm like, this guy is doing similar to Raja. So I identified with the stream and with your teachings and obviously, your mindset and stuff. I'm like, yo, this guy is one of my breed. So I just kept coming. That was like July 2nd, I think it was July 3rd. I remember you had like 16 losses or something, not even 20. Wow. And I was like, oh shoot. So like I've been jumping in since July.
Since July. And what were you doing before this? Because I don't think people know that you actually worked with traders before in the past.
Yeah, I was doing smart money. Like I first started with guerrilla trading, they're like trend traders. And then I went and joined Lambo Raul's course. Didn't identify with that. Then a friend of mine told me, yo, you need to see these guys or whatever. This guy is a big guy, big name. And I started working with him. His name is John Dollery, with smart money concepts and stuff. And I was like, yo, this is good stuff. But then I'm a simple guy, man. I like things simple, and smart money to me wasn't that simple. There's so much to think about. There's so much to look at, and it got me funded. Like I like the strategy and everything, but I was like, yo, there's gotta be something different, something like that, kind of like matches my lifestyle, my personality. So a friend of mine told me, yo, have you seen Raja? I'm like, yeah, let me look at him. So I started looking at Raja stuff, and I started studying it, and I was studying Raja for a few months before I found you. So I was kind of like coming from smart money concepts. It's a different way of thinking. It's a different way of seeing the market. They see it from the big picture rather than zooming in. They zoom out instead. So yeah, like I started working with some guys on the mindset from trading, smart money concepts. And yeah, that's how I started, working with guys. I was working with athletes before, but I started working with guys from the smart money concepts community. So yeah, like I still work with some guys, and this is crazy. This one guy, he kept blowing accounts. We started working. We worked for 3 months. He passed his 100K, got up to 100K, went for a 400K. We stopped talking. Bro, he blew everything. He called me, yo, I blew all my accounts. I'm like, what happened? I don't know. I just took 2 losses, and I don't know what happened. I can't place a trade. Like he said that he cannot. Yeah, like literally went blank. He's like, bro, I don't even know my strategy anymore. And I was like, yo. So we hopped on a couple calls and started like, going over strategy or whatever. And it wasn't his strategy. It was his perception of the market, and like, you got to understand that we see the market a pure reflection of who we are. That's the reason why personal development is so important, because if you don't have the right perception, it's not going to work all the time. You know what I'm saying? So we got on some things, and he's right now trying to pass 100K, but it seems like he's doing better. But it's just crazy, bro. Like, he had all these accounts and blew everything within 2 weeks. Everything gone.
Man. Yeah, I see that often too. You coach people and they roll with you and they take your trades, and then they get withdrawals or payouts, and then some people, I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't know what takes over, but they just tend to think that they've got everything that they need, but then they go ahead and they start switching what they're doing, right? Because they move away from the fire a little bit, right? You don't want to move away from the fire. You want to get closer to it so you can heat up. So I see it happen all the time, man. That's why the success rate is low here. This is challenging, right? It's challenging to do. So you really got to be on the A game and stick. Don't be afraid to continue taking mentorship. I'll when I'm 90 and I'm taking trades, I'm still gonna take mentorship, right? I'm still gonna ask questions, still gonna have thoughts and ideas and things that I see in the market that maybe I'm unsure of, right? So, and I still do that to this day. I ask questions all the time. I have a lot of buddies who trade and they know the success we've created recently, but they're like, man, this kid's still hungry, still comes and like he's got nothing, right? Just asking questions. So don't be afraid to stay in the hunt and chase mentorship. I think that the only reason I've had any success in my life is because I chased mentorship all throughout, my 20s and, continue to do that. So
you always got to keep that beginner mindset, bro. Because I mean, if you stop learning, you get stagnant. Everything evolves. We're humans that we evolve constantly. That's why we want to keep evolving.
Yep.
Yeah. Learning never stops. I agree with everything you guys are saying.
So this closure is coming up. Let's see how we're gonna close here. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Stops are like, yeah. I really would love to see a close above. Doesn't look like we're gonna do it though. Yeah, just another closure. Another really trash closure here on the 15-minute time frame. So I don't think 9:30's got anything here for us today. Yeah, maybe 9:15 here. Would love to.
We got news at 10, right?
Yeah, we may be ranging here for news. Yeah, I mean, we'll see it. We'll see about the 15 close here, but as of right now, there's really no safe, high probability setup. Yeah, I see the support. Everything looks great, but the closures aren't what I'm looking for. Not the closures I'm looking for here. So, yeah, nothing. Yeah, let's see the hour candle here. Yeah, hour candle's still open too. We're not getting good closures on the 30-minute. We're still ranging on the 15-minute. Yeah. Yep. 9:45 maybe. 9:30. We need to talk. Yeah, we need to talk 9:30. I mean, this may juice up, gang. This may juice up, but I don't see a high probability setup, right? So yes, could volume push this thing up to 1962 right now? 100%. But do I see a A+ setup right here? No. Nope. Just wait on it.
Gotta keep waiting. Keep working out that patience.
Patience, exactly. Patience.
That's why patience is so important. You see how long it takes sometimes,
Yeah. I think if we could have closed above, that would have been a little bit of a better idea, but we did not close above, so. We got news at 10, right? Pal speaking? Yeah, we'll stay on stream a little bit later than normal here today. We're going to do some giveaways too. Maybe we'll do these giveaways now. Have you guys commented on the live stream? Have you guys commented on yesterday's live stream yet?
Stop the cap.
Won't be capping.
If not, better go do it. Oh, comment.
Yeah, in order to distract your mind here, because you guys are like, 9:30, no. Let's just do the giveaway real quick, all right? So let's be patient here in the markets and just look away. Just minimize your trading view. All right, so yeah, you guys are good. I'll give you guys just the last call. So if you guys would like to participate in the giveaway, go ahead and not this one right here. Go ahead and comment on yesterday's live stream. So Let's see. Yeah, this one right here. Right there. So comment on Thursday's live stream, and we're going to pick a couple winners here. Couple winners. If you guys aren't following me on IG, you guys can follow me on Instagram. Let me move some things around so you don't see some of these pictures that my friends are posting. Yeah, that's my IG here, so you guys are more than welcome to follow me on IG. I do post a lot on my story, and then we post all of our trades that we take. Well, not all of them, but most of the trades we take are all posted on Instagram. So yeah, you guys can follow me there. And let's do this giveaway. Let's do it.
Oh, I love giveaways.
What's the giveaway? We're doing a 3-day boot camp in the end of this month, so the end of November. We're giving away 3 seats to that boot camp, and then we're also going to give away a month of free signals too. So comment so we can go ahead and pick some winners here. Oh, damn. Almost 500 comments here. All right. IG name. This is my IG right here. Right there. Don't forget the underscore at the end. There's a lot of scam pages out there, unfortunately. I'm not going to hit you up. I don't want your Bitcoin. I don't want your Bitcoin. Right? I don't care. I only want my Bitcoin. Your Bitcoin, I don't want it. My Bitcoin, I want it. Okay, you keep your Bitcoin and I'll keep my Bitcoin and we'll have a great day. The chances are getting slim as the comments come in. Send 10 BTC for the, yeah. I followed you and oh my God, I received at least 6 followers from scammers. Oh boy. Nick underscores. Yeah, if you guys want the 100% winning strategy, that's going to be Nick Steward 9994432. That's going to be the guy that's going to give you the handy dandy 100% winning no strategy. All right, so if you guys stop commenting. If you guys are all good, we're all good. Let me pull up the pick. Let me pull up the sifter. What was that thing called again? Random comment picker? Sam knows the right one, I think.
I think so. Yeah, let me grab it.
Honestly, yeah, you should probably look up on Google. Random picker.
Nothing on this 30-minute candle yet. Just chill.
Oh, what was the one we used that didn't have a limit?
Yeah, that
You
was.
always be forgetting.
This was the one with
I think I got it. Which one was it? I think it was. Yeah, one of them has a limit.
Yeah, that's the one with the limit.
Which one was that? Comment? I think it was pick a winner or comment picker, right?
Yeah, commentpicker.com was the one with the limit.
Yeah, I think pick a winner is the other one. Yeah, this is it, right? Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that was the one we used, yeah.
Alright, cool.
The
Man, the only problem with this one that I don't like is you don't get the brrrr, like you don't get all the names flashing. You just get the one winner. So that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna go back and read your comments because every time we do a giveaway, honestly, you guys really just fill my heart with so much gratitude when I go back and read the comments, and it just honestly encourages me to continue to show up and pour into the live streams here, and just hear about all the impact and all the lives that are being changed and the mindsets and all that good stuff. So thank you guys for those awesome comments. They really do just hit my heart really, really well. So thank you guys, man. Let's go ahead and put the YouTube link. Paste.
Who's gonna win? Who gonna win?
Who gonna win? All right, so allow duplicates, no, and then we're also not going to include replies here. So it's just going to be comments, all right? Anything goes.
Yeah, just leave one comment.
Yeah. So, yeah, we already checked off no duplicates and no replies here. So let me pull this back over here. All right, it's loading the comments. So give it a minute and it'll load up. And best of luck here, chat.
If you haven't comment, remember what you could possibly win. 3 days of just knowledge, of just gems. Remember.
Yeah, so nothing on the 30-minute buys there. So 1 hour, 4 hours still holding strong here on the bearish bias. So yeah, nothing there. Look, this is what we need for price to continue driving down. We need a good resistance. So if we can get that here, the 1 hour will most likely close. Well, the 1 hour will close below, and that's a very strong support. 30-minute will close below as well, and yeah, you have volume coming in with Papa Pal speaking too. So, all right, all the comments.
He ain't speaking today.
Oh, he's not speaking today, right? Oh, I forgot. We're looking at prelims or something today, right?
Yeah, consumer.
My bad. That's true.
That'd be crazy.
That'd be great. On a Friday? On a Friday. All right, cool. Let's do this.
3 days in a row, you'd be going crazy, bro.
Yeah.
That dude be working. He be earning his wage now.
Be tripping.
Yeah, making him work, bro.
All right, we're gonna pick some winners here. We're gonna pick so we're gonna pick 3 winners for the boot camp, and then we're gonna pick 2 random winners for 1 month of free signals today. So that's what we're gonna do here. Lord, I pray that whoever wins this will be blessed and that they would take this serious and they wouldn't treat it like a game, Lord, but they would treat it as a sign that it's their opportunity to win and win big in life and do what you call them to do. So let's go ahead and pick these winners and see what we got going on here. So y'all ready?
Let it
You ready?
rip.
You ready?
Oh, so
Let it rip.
All right. The first 3 are going to be for the boot camp, and then the next 2 will be for
signals.
the signals. All right, let's do it. So here we go. First winner in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. All right.
Josie.
Thank you for the nonstop learning on your live stream. You're welcome. Are you in the house today? Did you hang out to the giveaway here? The doves are flying, so put something in all caps or something.
Damn, the
Man,
comments are going
there's
crazy.
so many I can't even remember what the oh, there she is. There. Okay,
Oh,
all
I
right.
see it.
He or she is here. All right, cool. So all right, so we are going to let's see here. How are we gonna do this? So we're going to message us with your Discord name. What's your name on Discord? Man, that's what I should have done. Everyone's comment should have also been just leave your Discord tag. All right, well, they're here, so we got 1 giveaway. So congratulations, congrats. Beautiful. Message me on Discord like as soon as you possibly can, like ASAP, like right now. Like not now, but you know how they do it in the South, like not now, but right now. Like there's a difference. So try and message me right now before these creative 16-year-old geniuses make your username and they start hitting me up. So
And they steal your boot camp.
they steal your boot camp seat.
There's a
They're
16-year-old
coming for
right
it.
now. Get up using it.
Bro, they do too. I'm not even playing. The last giveaway we did.
I know.
Yeah, they did it on the YouTube.
Yeah, whenever they're.
Yo,
I was
there's
like, all right, who's the
Facts.
real? 'Cause there's like 4 of them.
They're all like me.
There's a 16-year-old right now who knows how to type faster than anyone you've ever seen in your life. Let me go over here. All right, awesome. We're gonna do the second giveaway now. Second giveaway. Let's do it. So let's X this one out. Congratulations. And let's load up another one. So number 2. Number 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go-Go! We know Go-Go. Isn't that Goo Goo Gaga? Is that Goo Goo Gaga?
Go,
No, that's Go-Go. Go-Go, are you still here?
go, go, go.
Go-Go.
Go, go, go.
Go-Go, you better hurry up and message me, bro. That one's an
Better
easy
go,
one to
go, send that
duplicate.
message.
There he is.
Oh,
What up?
there it is.
What up? What up? What up? All right, perfect. Both members are here. Please message me on Discord right now. Right this
Right
moment. I still haven't gotten a message from winner number 1 yet. Oh, okay. I got Go-Go's message. Awesome. Oh, look at that cute baby. Is that your baby? All right, I'm just gonna write
Go,
yo
go.
to you, and I'll reach out to you after the live stream. All right, cool.
Right up.
All right, next. Oh, damn, chat disconnected. Yo, we're blasting YouTube here. All right, congrats, Go-Go. Congratulations. Let's move on here, and let's get to the next winner. So, all right, so let's do this. So 1, 2, or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Abraham. Let's go. Abraham in the house. Is Abraham here today? Shout out to Abraham. That's a strong name right there. Let's see if he's here. Abraham, are you here? Are you here? About to make Abraham's account now. I am Abraham.
Some kids onto it already.
I don't see Abraham. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is the third winner too. We might have to pick another one. Abraham, if you're here, please stand up.
Fell back asleep.
Wake up, Abraham.
Is he here? I don't see him. All right, I think we're going to go ahead and pick one more.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I don't see him.
That's
All right,
tough.
10 seconds. Yo. From Nigeria. How could I win a seat? You've got it, brother. You've got it. Abraham. All right, I don't think Abraham's here, gang. Don't see him. All right. Close but no cigar there, Abraham. Chat got too much motion. Yeah, but I've trained these eyes now, man. There's some magic going on behind these glasses, man. I can read them and weep now, real quick. All right, no Abraham. We're gonna move forward.
Got blue light.
We're gonna move on here. Let's pick another winner. Oh, Leo Gatton. Do we have Leo in the house, or are we gonna pick another one? Leo. Please step
man, Leo,
forward
right-
now.
Oh, I see him.
Leo's here?
Yeah, I'm here. Yep, he's there.
All right. Leo, message me on Discord as soon as you possibly can. Good stuff. Awesome.
Beautiful, Leo. Worked out in your favor.
Congrats, Leo.
All
Yo,
right.
is it Leo Gaitan or what's going on over
Leo
here? Is it
Gaitan.
Leo or Leo?
Gaitan.
Leo.
Yeah, I had a friend that played with me. His last name was Gaitan too, so.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful. Awesome.
Congrats to the winners.
So we're also when you come on to the boot camp, we're also going to be doing another boot camp within giveaway within the boot camp, and we're going to be giving away a 10 or a 20K funded challenge. So we're just going to pick some random person from the boot camp that's in attendance, and we're going to give you guys a random either 10 or 20K challenge account for you guys to shine some light on and go out there and have some fun with.
Oh.
So all right, cool. So now let's so we've got the winners for the giveaway. Let's go or the boot camp. Now let's see who's in for some signals here. So let's do two signals giveaways here as well. So let's run it. Same thing here. Boom. Jet. Wait, Jet is already in signals, right? Yo. Jet, are you in signals? I don't know. Yo, where's Jet at?
Jet, where you at?
We know Jet. There he is.
I see him.
There he is. All right. Well, regardless, you're gonna get a month added on. I'm not too sure if you're in there or not. I just know you're very active in the Discord and you're just that dude. So yeah, if you do have it, I will.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah. All right. Perfect. So congrats, Jet. Hit me up, bro. Message me on Discord here. Yeah, all the winners, please message me like right now. All right, I got Leo. All right, I got 1, 2, and 3. Now we just need Jet. I'm just gonna give y'all a yo, and I'll get back to you guys later on after the live stream. Just so I got you guys in there. Congrats, Jet. Blessed to have found you, Nick. Best community ever. Awesome, man. All right, let's pick another winner. Let's go ahead and take a look at gold here. So nice driving down here, breaking lows, and we got 9 minutes left on the 1 hour / 30-minute candles. So we're just gonna sit tight and wait. All right, winner number 5. Winner number 5. Let's see who's gonna win. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thomas Espinoza. We got Thomas in the house. Where's Thomas at?
Thomas, can you please stand up?
Thomas. Oh, oopsies.
Tommy?
Thomas. Look out for Thomas. There he is. I see him.
Oh,
All right,
he
Thomas.
is.
Tomas. Is it?
Yeah.
I think it's Tomas, right? Not Thomas. This guy's like this
Yeah,
guy. This
Tomas.
American. You hear this American? Thomas.
Tomasito.
Tomas.
Tomasito.
This guy's calling me Thomas. Oh,
Thomas.
man. Tomas. All right, congrats, boys and girls. Welcome.
Congrats, bro.
And
Welcome.
yeah, welcome to the Signals channel. Welcome to
For life.
the boot camp. And you know what? Just because we were talking about it yesterday, we're team one more over here. We are team one more. So we got one more here, right? And then we may have one more after that. So congrats, Thomas. But we're gonna do one more giveaway just because I'm feeling good, and we're gonna do the giveaway for the boot camp here. So we're gonna have one more giveaway, one more seat for the boot camp. Let's see who the last contender is gonna be here. Team one more.
Power of one more.
Team one. Hey, this one more. This guy. This one pick right here. Maybe the guy that goes out and changes the world. Who knows? Who knows? Let's check. All right, y'all ready? Last one. Come on, picker, do your thing.
That's somebody said.
All right, let's do it. All right, team, one more. Let's go. I'm done.
Louis G.
Louis G.
Luis.
Yo,
Let's go.
Louis, congrats, bro. Yo, this dude called it
Louis,
early this
Louis.
morning. Holy, Louis. Wow. Wow.
Congrats, Luis.
Deserved. He's gonna go out and change the world, bro.
Yo,
Congrats, brother.
this is some confirmation, Louis G.
My man manifested it.
Wow.
What did he say he's gonna win this morning?
He said, I hope I'm gonna win, but if not, I'm in there anyway.
There he is.
Dubs, brother.
Way to bring that energy out.
Yeah, he was gonna buy it anyway. Good stuff. Awesome, bro.
Congratulations, brother.
Let's
Yeah.
go. Louis G. Nice, man. Yeah, message me on Discord here. Lovely, lovely. Awesome. Well, maybe I'll have another giveaway up my sleeve next week or something like that, but congrats, everybody. And welcome to the boot camp and welcome to the Signals channel. Nightbot, if you'd like, you can send out the link to the 3-day boot camp. So we're gonna post the link on YouTube. We'll post it on Discord, and I'll have it on my IG as well for you guys. So we'll open up the link and the registration, and then you guys are good to go. So yeah, good money. One more. Maybe we'll do one more next week. Yeah. All right, 2 minutes or 4 minutes here. One more. Yeah, congrats, everyone. Good work, good work. Another one. All right, Tomas. I'm gonna give you a yo-yo, my friend, and I'll reach back out to you. Cool. Yo. And don't forget to put your email on the registration for the bootcamp, because that's where you're going to get the Zoom link. So the Zoom links are going to be sent out to your emails. And yeah, so don't forget to do that. Hey. Say hi, everyone. Say hi, Uncle John.
Hey, Leia.
Lele.
What's up?
You hear him? You hear my headphone? Listen.
Yo, where's Shiro? Yeah, for real though.
Yeah.
Like, is he okay?
Say hi.
Yeah, he's out.
Yeah, I was talking to Shiro this morning.
He probably ran out of knives. He had no knives, got in trouble.
Say hi. Say hi or bye.
Oh, volume's coming in.
Yeah, we got the volume creator here. Lele bringing the
Leia.
volume. Lele Volvo.
See what this news does.
All right. All right, all right. Pick me, pick me. GJ? Oh, GJ. Remember what we talked about this morning on GJ below here? So you've got a lot of support here on pound yen. Lovely daughter, thank you. She is pretty lovely, man. Gold driving here. So 930. So look, we did create that support, but price looks like it just used the support to create a resistance and now driving down. So we knew the volume would come in one way or another, but closures just weren't the best here.
Impulse entry, breaking that support.
Yeah, 15.
Close.
Yeah, so this would have been an impulse entry here. This is how we can take some sort of an impulse entry without a closure below. And yeah, that would have gotten us about 18 pips there. So we're going to continue to dive deep and look at these impulse entries. And most likely can start to trade them moving forward if they make sense. I took the impulse. Good job. Good job. Nice move. 9:30, 9:30, 8 a.m. That's typically when your impulse entries are going to end up working out the best. Yeah. Yeah, anytime there's volume, that's really the only time, or news or anything like that, but that's volume too. That's really your best opportunity to take those impulse entries. Let's see. Oh, look at this. So news is coming out here. So let's see what we got. Yeah, we did close below. We've got news right now, so just give it a moment. Let's look left. All right, so the 1 hour candle opened literally 20 seconds ago. So just gonna let this thing open up, let it absorb the news here and see where we're looking ahead. Girls are so sweet. I have 5. Yeah, she's awesome. Yeah, we got a girl and a boy. Little girl, little boy, and then one more on the way here. In just a couple months. January.
For real, bro.
Yeah, January. Baby number 3. Oh, damn. GJ just... Ba-boom. Yeah, I'd be interested in a 15 celery here. If we get a closure, and yeah, we got a support here. Yeah, I may be interested in like a 15 celery if we can get that. If not, this thing may ride on us. What are stops?
Need to use current candle stops.
31 pips, yeah. Yeah, you got this current candle stop here. But, yeah, I'm not going to take this. We could break the lows and then pump back up. So if we get a 15 close the way we want to see it, then we can use the 15 as our 15 high as our stops. Entry on the break of the lows, and that'll be a better position here. If not, it may just run on us. May just bleed here.
Hey, if you take it, lower your risk with these current candle stops.
Yeah. How are spreads looking? Gotta turn my magic keys on. Spreads aren't bad here. So that would activate if the lows were there. So we'll see how that turns out. But it's not the position for me to take right now. I'm gonna wait for the 15 closure here. But if you took the sells on the break of the lows there, good luck. You may, yeah. It's for me right now. It's a bit 50-50. So when it's 50-50, I'll just stay out the game. The dates to the boot camp are November 24, November 25, and November 26. I would block out probably over 2 hours each day. Yeah, Tony. Yep, there is a 15 support right here as well. Right here, pretty strong one too. Yeah, tapped into that support there. So we'll see. If you re-break the low, you should drive, but I'm gonna wait here.
I would say 2 better stops instead of the current candle is gonna be the previous 15.
Yeah. What time will the boot camp be? So the times for the boot camp. So Friday will be we're gonna get started like after the live stream. So right around this time. Again, every session will be recorded as well. So Friday will be after the live stream. I know that could be a little bit late for some people, but Saturday and Sunday it will be probably right around. We didn't set a actual time yet, so we're gonna try and make it beneficial for everyone all around the world, like UK, and I know there's a bunch of different time zones here, so we'll probably end up doing it early morning US time, and like early morning, probably like 8, somewhere around that, and yeah, that way everyone's still good.
Is that over the weekend?
Yeah, that'll be on the weekend.
All right.
FX Silver, thank you, sir. Thank you. Bless you and your family. Thank you so much for the value. Changed my whole perspective on trading. Been in the game for 4 years. Awesome, man. Big W. Thank you for the dono. FX Silver. I can only see silver. I can't see the rest of it. But thank you, man. Appreciate that. And much love. Glad things are clicking for you. How many seats are available? Oh, it's limited to only 200 seats. There will get your tickets before it sells out. No, I'm just kidding. It's we're probably gonna do whatever Zoom allows. I don't know. I think I can do like close to 500 right now, but we're basically gonna leave it open for unlimited seats. So anyone who wants to build momentum moving into 2024 and really set the tone right and get things in order, you're more than welcome to pull up. More than welcome. We're gonna set the game plan, man. We're gonna apply the 6 P's. Prior proper planning prevents poor performance. So we're gonna be on the same page moving into the new year, and it's gonna be a good time.
Facts.
So that's why I did not want to enter. Was very hesitant due to what I was seeing, and if we would have used current candle stops, we would have gotten smoked. So do we got a Pacquiao on the 15 and then close below and give us a 15 celery, or are we going to move back up here? Nothing.
Nothing. Friday sleep.
So fun to say that.
I pray to
week, bro.
Yeah.
Friday sleeper.
Sleeper. Say the P's thing again. Prior proper planning. Now, prior proper planning prevents poor performance.
Say it one more time.
Oh, nice, Shaquille. Shaquille Felton in the house. W. Prior proper planning prevents poor performance.
That's good.
Did I say 7 Ps? I don't know. 6 Ps. God, 6 Ps, 7 Ps. Someone got clapped. Ooh. What's the reason for not taking the trade? Experience, intuition, 15-minute support right here, and news. Right, news came in, drove us down, pulled us back up, then tricked us to break the lows again. I'm all over gold. I know how gold likes to do the little trickery. So a lot of even yesterday was more of an experience trade. Like if you guys wouldn't have taken that on your own, don't really beat yourself up for it.
Yeah, I didn't like that at all either.
Yeah, anyone who does attend the boot camp, just come prepared, grab a notebook beforehand, and just come to learn, right? We really want to teach, and we don't want to waste time. We want to teach you guys, and really, really want to see you guys get it, and just start running with it. And we're also going to give away a challenge account too at some point during the giveaway.
Come ready to ask questions, guys.
Facts, and bring a notebook.
Come with your questions. That's another thing. Like when you ask, hey, anybody have any questions? It seems like everybody gets quiet. Me, I like people asking questions because that's how we learn. If you think about the FBI, how they get the answers? Asking questions, right? So for you guys, whenever you come in, especially on the mindset part, I want you to come in with the questions and fire them out. Spit them out, because I'm sure you're not the only one that have those questions. So come in and ask a lot of questions.
Yeah. Yeah, and then keep an eye out. It won't be for another week or two, but keep an eye out on your emails, because that's where we're gonna send the links, the Zoom links, and all that good stuff. All right, look at this. Look at this. 15-minute Pacquiao, 30-minute moving back down. We got some time. 4 minutes left in this 15 candle. 30-minute candle's got about 18 minutes left in it, so we will see. Let's go ahead and see what the 30 looks like. I think it's just that wick fill, right? There's another support right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Yeah, 30-minute celery is going to be the only play of the day here for me. Unless we get a closure above 1950, I'll take buys. But if we can get the celery, we're in there on this lovely Friday. If not, then we'll probably just call it a day. Yeah, 30-minute celery. It's got to be 30. Because if this candle closes above, and then the next one closes below, this 15 closes above here, next 15 closes below, that'll be the 30 closing below. That'll also be the 15 giving us resistance, and that'll also be the 1 hour and the 4 hour re-breaking its lows, and the daily. So that's going to be the only position I'm taking at this point, unless we do close above 1950 for buys, and this is a fake out or something. Does that make sense to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. Sweet.
I'll pretend I'm in the chat. Yes, sir.
Yeah, 30-minute salary. Come on.
Makes sense. All right. Cool.
You boys got any special plans this weekend?
Sheesh, I don't even know.
Special?
Today's Friday? Yeah, today's Friday, right?
Not even special, just anything. Yeah, Friday.
Friday. It's Friday?
I don't know. I don't ever have anything that I like.
Yeah,
plan.
I just
Yeah,
roll
for
with
real.
it.
So
Tell y'all.
Do you have anything planned special for this weekend, John?
Nah, man.
Nah,
Nope.
just chilling.
Gonna live my life. Whatever happens, happens.
nah, the only thing I'll do this weekend is I'm gonna prepare for next week.
Oh,
So watch out for the fundamentals room. Check that out.
the
Either
fundy room.
Sunday night, Monday morning. Yeah, we got CPI, PPI. We got some red folders next week, so we're gonna put that room to use.
Yeah.
See, this week I wanted to, but it's hard, right? Because the only real news that we had this week was with Powell speaking, really.
Mm,
So
that's true.
it's like,
Yeah, the
and
only
there's like, yeah,
Go ahead,
not
Sam.
too much like go behind
Yeah.
it. It's just like, hawkish. How's he speaking? What's his tone? Hawkish. What does that mean? Blah blah. Yeah.
Yeah.
But next week will be solid.
Yeah, next week should be good too. Yeah, November's been pretty decent. Pretty decent.
Yeah, for real. That's what I'm
yeah.
gonna do though. Definitely. Spend my weekend learning.
Oh, yeah.
Always getting better.
Always.
Yep. Yeah, the only link that's good is the Nightbot link, gang. If someone's sending another link here, that's if you're gonna use the link from the stream, it's only use the one that's coming from Nightbot. You already know, Spence. What up, Travis? Oh wow, look at this. 15-minute close. Bullish with no top wick. Yeah, funky price action here today, gang. If you didn't take a trade today, don't even worry about it. There really wasn't much from the time we got here, which was 7 a.m. There really wasn't much happening in this session that was really worth taking at all, in my opinion. So if you didn't take a trade today, that's no big deal. Not a problem.
Look at the last 30
see
minutes.
nothing.
Like,
Yeah.
Bro, like even all the 15s, like what?
for real.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, you do it so good, bro.
That's because I've listened to him
Nick's not-
too much.
It's because Nick's from Pakistan.
Pakistan. Yeah, man.
Pakistan.
Damn.
Holy.
Yeah.
All right. Give
If
me
you
one
didn't get a
sec.
trade today, don't worry about it. There ain't gonna be no monsters. No monsters. Yo, I haven't said that in forever, bro.
Yeah, that's funny. For you can't force a trade, right? You gotta let it come naturally to you. And if a trade doesn't come, then you can't force it. You gotta just wait on the next day, right? That's what it's about.
Yeah, it's so true. I remember I'll be in my chair every single day, like looking for the trade. It's gonna have me like floating to the roof.
Yeah.
Like, whoa. You have to strap me down to the chair type of trade.
Facts, man. When I was first beginning, I always wanted to trade. Like, I didn't like the concept of no trade days, but I didn't understand that there'd be more trades coming. There'd be another day, right? So if you could just understand that, that'll help a lot.
My pips, your pips are in London waiting to be picked up while you're asleep. That's why you gotta just wake up from out of your sleep whenever there's a setup.
Those spidey senses. Only Sam got them.
I can smell that from a mile away, bro.
Monster.
You're like a shark, bro, smelling blood.
He smells it.
Yeah, bro. That's
Later.
good. I'm like Big Bruce.
Big Bruce.
Big Bruce is sharp.
Hey, yo,
Bro,
Green.
find the-
Happy 17th, Green. Happy 17th. Monster. Yo.
Greenery.
17. That's a big number, monster.
17. That's a monster number.
Yo, Green, I'm messing with that new YouTube profile picture. I like it.
The green dot.
That's what it's gotta be.
He's green.
He had it as long neck before.
They know him as green.
Goes good with the blue.
What's advice you have for someone just starting out in the world of trading? It's a really big world, and we live in an information world today where there's information at your fingertips everywhere, and there's many different strategies and approaches and techniques to the market. But I would recommend really looking for one that suits you, right? One that suits you well. You may have to go through 2 or 3 to really find what you're looking for, but be patient with this process. It's not one of those you just get in and press buttons and make money. There's a lot more that goes to it. Find yourself some good mentorship, find a good system, and don't really worry about any results for the next couple months. The only result you want to learn is, or the only results that you really want is the fact that you're able to read price. Don't worry about the money. Don't worry about how much you're making or losing. Don't worry about anything, but focus on really studying the craft, studying the markets and the strategy that you've picked, and just focus on the progression in that. And then as you get better in that, that's when you can maybe start looking towards the money, right? But just focus. It's gonna be a long-term approach, and enjoy it. Have fun with it. Don't be too hard on yourself. Don't compare yourself to other traders, because comparison is the thief of all joy. So just run your race, and if you have any questions, we're here for you.
Nah, for real, Nick. That's so important though. Like, gotta have fun. Whatever you're doing, you gotta have fun so you can continue to do it, right? If you're not having fun, you're not gonna want to do it, right? So make sure you're having fun along the process, along the journey, and make sure you're smiling, right?
Yep.
Very important.
Yeah, you guys are good. If you guys are purchasing off the link, don't worry, everything's fine. I will we'll send all the emails out. They won't come in this weekend. They most likely won't come in next week. They're gonna come in the week of. So don't worry, rest assured, everything is good. Thanks for the advice. Everyone has to run their own race. Yeah, you really do. Just try and lock in with a mentor. Try and lock in with someone who you can say, like Rafi said earlier, right? Like, he had a goal, he had an idea, he wanted to get good, and he found someone that he could relate to, and he just stuck. He's still here, right? So he's stuck with it. He's learning, the little nuances of the game, or I'm sure you already have learned, but now, he can take positions at the mall. You know what I mean? So, but I'm sure at one point he didn't even know what a pip was, right? So we all start in the same place. You just got to run your race. Let's run it.
Definitely, brother. Well said.
You remember when you didn't know what a pip was, right?
Dude, you saying that literally gave me like flashbacks to babypips.com. Just saying.
Yeah, literally. I was like, yo, what is this pip thing? Stop loss, what's that? And like, even like using MT4, like nobody taught me how to do that. Like, I had to figure it out myself. It was crazy. And think about it. Yeah, think about it now. It's like, yo, I've come far, really far.
Yeah.
Yep.
Makes you appreciative of the journey of the process, for real.
Yeah. It's a beautiful journey, man. This is like, people think that trading is, pressing buttons, stuff. Like, this is just self-discovery, brother. Like, you are going to find yourself in ways that nothing else will teach you about yourself. Yeah. Like, how you do something here in trading, that's how you start doing anything in your life. It's like, if you want to be very disciplined in trading, you cannot skip your breakfast, or you cannot skip the gym, or you cannot, you know what I'm saying? Like, you need to be disciplined on every single aspect of your life. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to be disciplined here. You're going to be lying to yourself. And remember, 90% of our human behavior comes from our subconscious. So there's got to be a deep rewiring in order for us to change everything, how we do in the markets.
Yeah.
Bro, that's fire.
So true. Yeah, that really is true. Big facts.
Charts will mature you.
They really will. They really will. And like Rafi said, you're only fooling yourself, right? A lot of times, like, yo, you know, I'll be disciplined here on the charts, but you know, then you slack off in other areas. I promise you that how you do one thing is how you do everything, and eventually it'll catch up to you. And if you're outweighing it on the undisciplined side, side off the desk, it will rub onto the desk. But the cool part is, if you're disciplined on the desk, you can shift that and let it rub off on things outside of the desk if you just really keep the same perspective moving forward in your day-to-day life, right? Building that system for yourself, creating that edge in life, right? We've already got an edge in trading, and now you create that edge in life, and you do that by listing daily habits, right? Daily non-negotiables, success habits that you want to apply day in and day out. And over consistency, that's what really, you know, I credit my success in life due to just a slight edge life. I really didn't do anything special. I just did the little things over and over and over and over again, and it finally shaped me into, you know, the guy that you see here today. So it's really nothing crazy. The time's going to go by anyway. So start working on those disciplines off the charts just as much as you're working on them on the charts. Yeah. Otherwise, you play yourself, man. You don't want to play yourself. Yeah, and come here because, or come anywhere, but maybe try and find a community, right? Try and find a community that, you know, people are going through the same thing you're going through, and you could just trade together, have fun together, and, you know, otherwise, man, this thing, you'd be down in the basement.
Only.
In the dungeon.
Yo, and like I was saying earlier, man, you know, dealing with losses, it's not the losses, bro. It's dealing with the pain. When you take that loss, bro, you're in pain. You can't breathe. You feel defeated. You feel angry. You feel whatever, how you feel. Everybody feels different every time you take a loss. You go and talk to somebody about it. They simply can't understand. They can't relate. They don't feel your pain. So, like, having a community where, you know, like, everybody feels the pain. Some people quake, and that's how they express their pain. And that's okay. Everybody expresses pain differently. But having the community, you know, it's like, yo, it's life changer.
Yeah. All right. Lock it in here, chat. May have an opportunity here. So we're waiting for what we want to wait for. 30-minute may close bearish below. 15 minutes giving us a new resistance. 1 hour is looking good to continue down. 4 hours looking pretty good. I think we just need this closure below, and then we have to break these lows. So if we break these lows, we've got a vantage point about 24 pips away, and then full target here is going to be about 50 pips. So we'll see if we get it, right? This is what we were waiting for. If it happens, it happens. If not, no biggie.
Yeah, you're using current candle stops, right?
Current candle stops are going to be used, and yeah, previous candles are way too steep.
Yeah, for real.
But we want a closure below. We want a closure below.
Closure below.
This support right here. We've got a vantage point at this wick fill, and that support, and then we can take price down to like 1936 here.
Ooh.
I'll probably just let things run today on a Friday. If we're in profits and we tap into 1938, I'll probably just go break even and close partials at 36 here today. Yeah, the link is out. Nightbot is sending the link out, and then I'll personally put a link in the Discord later on, and I'll also put a link up on my IG. So if you guys are following me there, this is my IG. Don't take any links from any other Instagrams, right? This is it. It's Nick Stewart with an underscore at the end, right? Everything should look like this. If it don't look like this, you guys will also see I have posts from like years ago here. So if every post has been uploaded in the last hour, then you know there's something wrong there. Please just use the noggin. Use your noggin well here today. All right, 2 minutos. Yep, there we go. So let me set up here and see what we're looking at. So we're waiting for a close below. I think it's right there, right? Pretty sure we closed a little bit below.
Dos minutos.
2 minutes.
Para la comercia. I think that's how you would say for the trade.
Damn.
For the trade.
Comercia. I think that means like trade. Someone correct me.
Obviously we need a top wick and all that good stuff too.
Wrong? Dang.
Dang.
Dang, son.
What did I say? Parrot, you said
Comercio.
comercio. I said comercia. I got one word
Slightly,
wrong, bro.
slightly wrong.
One letter.
Not too.
I gave it the female.
No, it's still good though.
Oh, nice. We need a wick, gang. We need a wick.
Comerciante. How do you say wick?
All right. So we're gonna wait for a
Mega.
top wick here, and have these sell stops set. Give us a top wick. We need the top wick in this case because we need a stop loss. Just waiting. All right, I'm gonna have sell stops on the break of the lows. Let's see if we make a top wick here, and then I'm gonna keep my stops up here, just leaving room for the 1 hour top wick, and then those are gonna be the sell stops right there. So let's go ahead and take a look. So we got a, oh wow, this one closed bearish and the one on my broker closed bullish. So sell stops on the break of these lows. These are the daily lows. These are the 4 hour lows. These are the 1 hour lows, the previous 30-minute lows, and also that low there. So if that low breaks, you should see a decent drive here. And we've got about a 20 pip advantage point. 25 pips here at 1938. So that'll be the first target. Might go break even, might close partials. We'll see how it's looking at that point. And then you got a decent move coming down, about 46 pips here. So we'll see what happens. Yeah. Sell stops. Can we get the final pump? Pump. Yeah, 15 closed below there too. So looks pretty good. I may actually change my risk here. Go 1% and use current candle stops. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna say the order still remains. I'm just gonna change something on my end real quick.
You're doing 1%, you said?
Yeah, I'm gonna do 1%. I'm gonna keep a super tight stop here. Yeah.
I feel like with current candle stops, you should lower your risk.
Yep, chilling. So let's put a break even here. BE. Let's see here. TT merch? Nah. Not yet. We're on it. We're on it. All right, maybe we can get activated here. I would expect a nice push down, right? If we're breaking 4-hour, 1-hour lows, previous 30 lows, I would expect, and daily lows, I would expect a nice push down here. So we'll see if we can get activated.
And the 1 hour has a solid top wick too, respecting that previous candle as well.
Yep. There's still 25 minutes left here of this 1-hour candle as well, so. Need that day trader shirt? Yeah. Yeah, 1-hour breakout too. Sell stop price is right here. You guys should see it on everything on my screen here. Yeah, right down here. Come on, Goldie.
Want to do here?
Bink, bink. Yeah, so we'll see if we can get activated on this. Let's take a look at pound yen. GJ just drove down right away on this candle. Let's go ahead and take a look at what Nasdaq did while we wait. Coming back down. Yeah, so 30-minute close back below. 15 minutes been moving back down here. So yeah. Need a oi. Yeah, we get the oi shirts. Oi.
Oi.
Oh, we're almost activated here. Do it for us, gold. Do it. Don't jump the gun here, chat. You really need that low to break.
Oh my God. That's so important.
The most important part about this trade here is that low breaking. It's not valid until that happens. We gotta get a shirt with Sam on it. Just screaming, oi.
Uh-oh.
Oi.
Facts. And then on the back, we'll have Bink with
Bink,
that
bink.
emoji.
With a big ass pink. Yeah, big ass.
That's fun.
That'll bring back those 5 stars, bro.
Facts.
Put the big pink thing on the back. You know that? You remember that, bro? When you
Yeah.
5-star someone?
5-star. Ba-boom. Yeah, if these stops start exceeding like 30 pips, I'm gonna probably just call it a day.
Just delete them on.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna delete these, chat. I don't. Yeah. 15 minutes just crumbling here, man. I wanted to see a
Come back
quick
in the range.
break here. So I'm gonna delete these. I'm gonna delete these. Doesn't. Yeah, it's pushing like almost 40 pip stops at this point. So Nice try. I don't think that's gonna work out. It may work out. We may create a steeper top wick, and then it may break the lows. But I don't think I'll be interested if we have over like 35 pip stops.
Don't want a decent R to R, you know.
Yeah, exactly. Because remember, our advantage point is about like 22 pips away. So no rush here. Calling it a day. All right. Yeah, I think we're going to call it a day here too, gang. Great Friday here. Great Friday. Maybe look towards the 1 hour celery play. That might be a little bit better. You'll get a new 1 hour top wick here and then a break of the lows. So that's probably what I would look towards next. But other than that, that should be it here for the day. It was a great day. Congrats to everyone who won the giveaways, and we look forward to seeing you guys on the 3-day boot camp. For those of you who have purchased the boot camp, just sit tight. We will send you an email, but that email won't come in for at least till next week. So just rest assured, as long as you got your receipt, everything is good, and we'll get all the emails sent out at some point next week for you guys, so you guys have the Zoom link and all that good stuff. And we're gonna leave the registration link up until I would say probably the 22nd, something like that, and then we're gonna close it up just so we have a good read on how many people are gonna be there and what we need to do to prepare for everything. So but congrats to everyone that won the Signals channel too, and if you took good trades here today and followed your plan, W. And I think that's gonna be it. Any final words, boys?
Yeah, actually, yo, what a great week. I mean, just like always, but yeah, what a great week. I feel like, I don't know, this week is start to finish.
Week.
Yeah, for real. Great week. Way to show patience and discipline throughout the week. Work on that muscle, and way to follow our plan, right? And we'll continue on doing the same thing next week.
Yeah, I feel like we did a lot this week. I don't know why. What did we do this week? Didn't we give the new mods this week too?
No, that was like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Man, the time just blends in these days.
For real.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It's crazy, bro.
Yeah, man. So maybe we'll get Rafi here on Monday too, if you're free. But you can expect Rafi here on Fridays definitely, and then maybe even Mondays too, moving forward. So
yeah, let's do it Monday, Fridays.
All right.
Guys, come in with questions. Come in with stuff that you want to talk about. Let's bring in a topic and let's fire.
Yeah,
let's
fire
get
away.
this rolling.
Facts.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
sweet.
W's.
It's okay if you forgot to put an email on the boot camp. I think I still see your email anyway. But if you guys can, just put your emails down. But I think I'm pretty sure I can get your email regardless. But yeah, boys, I think that'll be it here today.
All right, boys, have a good weekend. See you guys later.
You too.
Yeah,
And
take
chat.
it easy, everybody. Hope everyone has a great, wonderful, beautiful weekend. Yeah, what a week. What a week. Yeah.
W. All right, boys.
W's.
I'll catch y'all later.
Peace.
Y'all have a good one.
Love
Peace
you.
out.
Have a good weekend, boys.
Later,
Yeah,
dudes.
I'll talk to you all
Peace.
soon.
All right.
Love you guys. Love you, chat.
Peace.
Now I'm out.
Follow them. Oh, they're gone. All right, chat. Hey, love y'all. Great week here. Just beautiful job, everyone. Great job with your patience, with your discipline. Really, just continuing to get a read on the markets day in and day out. That's the most important thing. So, kudos to you guys. Very proud of you all. Way to work this week, and we'll come back next week for an awesome week ahead. So, love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. Blessings this weekend. If you can help someone this weekend, reach out and do something, man. I think it's gonna help you in the future, and it's always a good thing to give back. So, love y'all. Hope y'all have a great one, and we'll see you on Monday. Peace.